Stream, 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 stream. Stream, 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 stream. Stream, 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 stream. Stream, 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 stream. Oh shit. Wait, guys, no, you didn't hear that, right? No one heard that. My layout's messed up. Hold on. Everyone calm down. I don't have the stream manager open. I can't see. I'm blind. I'm running blind. Congratulations to Mixu. Wait, Mixu for getting your first ever golden horse. Oh my goodness gracious. You are speedier than most, speedier than everyone for today. Congratulations, Mixu, on getting your first ever golden horse. Yeah! Woo! Guys, I accidentally put the chat on screen. I didn't mean to. Hold on, let me move that. Let's see, chat. It's really small and scrunched up. It's not supposed to be there. Hold on, everyone, hold your horses. Look at the stream block. This is becoming your horse of the day. Thank you. Congratulations to Mixu for getting first day. Look at the stream under Friday. Your horse of the day as well. Excuse the technical issues for the moment. I was just being a little bit too goofy. And you guys don't want the chat on screen? I can move it over here. Oh, where'd it go? What if I do this? Wait, it's upside down? It's been upside down, nobody told me? That means it was upside down last stream too. Oh, how do we fix this? Alright, we're getting rid of it. Goodbye, chat. Sorry for the black screen. Gay sexer? Thank you so much, Mixu, for getting 7 days of gay sex in a row. I appreciate your consistency so much. Ugh. Alright, good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's a bit early. Well, for me, but I am a little bit late, technically. I'm a kind of a sleepy boy. I got 7 hours of sleep last night, which is pretty good. It's 8 p.m. Not for me. Not for me. Wakey, eggs and bakey. I had a nice breakfast, got ready for stream. I was so sleepy though. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. I guess I had 6 hours of sleep, not 7, huh? But then I fell asleep and woke up at 8. So I guess I did get 7 hours of sleep. So what's on the agenda for today? Hold on. Let me make sure everything's working right. Let's check the seiso values of today. Block, you're 75% seiso, 33% freak. You're so seiso today. Anthony forgot to change stream title. Did I? Shh. No one has to know. Nobody has to know. I'm changing it right now. No, let's think of a title right now before anyone notices. What's a good title? Oopsies. Hello, Anime, welcome to the stream. We definitely did not forget to change the title category. Ooh, that's embarrassing. Oh no, what am I gonna do? 7 hours and 28 minutes of sleep. That's pretty good. Ideally, we go for 8 hours on average, but in this day and age, it's kind of hard to do that, right? With the world moving so fast. Oh my god, I'm a fool. Is that 2 things in the bingo sheet, or is it just 1? Because title and category, I might have separated them. I think it's a bit unfair, right? Solid 4 hours of sleep today? Metro, go to sleep. Go take a nap. You need it. I wonder, can I get in front of the screen if I do this? Wait, will that show up? Oh my god. 2 Anthony Mois? No one thought they'd ever see it today. I wish I get more sleep, but I'm at work now. Oh, that's how it goes. That's tough. Ugh. The amount of times I'm like on Discord or watching a stream, and it's like it's getting late, and they're like, "All right, I should be heading out." I got work in 4 hours. I'm like, what, brother? I don't know how people do it. I could never. I can't really function with too little sleep. I think unless I literally stay up all night. If I get like a small number of hours of sleep, I can't. I can't be awake to do stuff. Well, it's not awake. That's the wrong word. But like, I can't think. But I guess like if you got work, you're kind of forced to be up. You're gonna be in zombie mode, and you're not gonna get much done. I guess that's how it goes, right? Ooh. I saw you up late as saw you up late as fuck playing Rivals 2. It was only like 1 a.m. for me. Okay. What are you, my mom? It wasn't that late. I went to sleep right after I finished playing Rivals. Got my 6 hours. Woke up, fell back asleep, got my 7th hour. Everything's good, okay? Just don't look. You guys can't see it right now, but I got some eye bags right now. I'm a but the eye bags never go away. So am I really sleepy? Who's to say? Okay, I think ads are about to play. Once the ads are finished, we're gonna get into the agenda for today. Excuse me. I mixed the music up today. Instead of Tem Village, I went for some from Snowden, and it feels so somber. I feel so relaxed right now. When we got Tem Village playing, I'm bouncing. I'm excited. Here I feel relaxed. I'm laying down in my chair. I like to play more Rebels of Aether 2 more, but I don't really have anyone at my skill level to play with. I mean, you could just like hop on ranked, though. I don't know. It's tough, right? Because it's I do think if you play ranked and you're the bottom of ranked, you do find people at your skill level, but it's like average skill level, right? Because like different people will be like, obviously no one's great at the bottom, but different people are like better at certain things, and like if one person is like really mashy and they're good at mashing, and you're like kind of just like, I'm just trying to jump around and have fun. It's like you're just gonna be getting hit the whole time. It's like you're not gonna get to learn the things you want to learn. You're just gonna learn what that match can teach you, that's just how it goes with fighting games in general, I guess. But if you don't like that, then that's like it's a fair thing to not want to experience. I'm low-key scared of ranked, but that's how you find people of your skill level. I don't know. Well, okay, I will say though, it is a bit fucked up with Rivals ranked, because you don't get placed until you win 4 matches, and for some people they don't get placed for a long time, and it's just unranked hell for a long time. I got so scared I wasn't watching stream, and an ad just started whispering to my ears. That happens sometimes. That's how they get you. Twitch is trying to sneak in ad revenue. Sometimes I'll open someone's Twitch channel for the first time, and then like it starts playing a VOD automatically in the background. And then like sometimes when it plays a VOD, is like it plays an ad after some time. I'm like, what the fuck? I was listening to this the whole time. It scares me. Ooh. Wait, what? I got a follow yesterday. Off stream? Who are you? Oh, is it? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yesterday during my morning walk. I was watching Andre's stream, Andre the Rican, fellow Puerto Rican capybara in the community, and someone in chat, he was playing some game, and I said hi, and he gave me a shout out. I'm like, Andre, this is your stream, don't shout me out. And then someone in chat's like, I'm following you. I'm like, oh my god, so I followed him back. Alright, still going. They're still going. Allegedly. Do you think those scam chatbots generate ad revenue? I don't know. I feel like maybe if they get banned, probably not. I mean, like banned from Twitch, not banned from the channel. I don't know how good their detection is. Because I would imagine if bots can be used to get like sponsorship deals and stuff, then bots can probably also be used for ad revenue. But I don't know how Twitch has been cracking down on bots for like for view botting. But the ones that are for like advertising services, like best streamers at streamboo.com, those ones, I don't. Since they still show up, I feel like they do generate ad revenue, which is maybe it's fraudulent. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. I'm all for it, unless I have to pay the price for that later. Alright, I think ads are over. Where am I? There I am. Ray but say so? What does that mean? Isn't that just Ray? Wait, wait a second, that's a zero with the emotes? Yeah, what? Hold on. It is zero with, why is it zero with? Okay, if Ray shows up, I gotta tell her that, ask her about it. See if that's intentional. Anyways, how you doing, Spike Kirby? Thanks for dropping by. Wait, Lamau, wait. I think we had a conversation about this when you were in Jersey, BC. Did we? I thought we were talking. Wait. Maybe we did. I don't know. I thought we were talking about the what's it called? All the test accounts that you found. I wonder if those get revenue, because they have ads, right? And some of them are affiliate and partner. Wait, the ones with the partner, can you sub to them? Do they have emotes? I forget. I think we talked about this already. Let me take a sip. I'm so thirsty. Ew, what the heck? Oh, yuck. There was like something hard on the lip of the cup. I don't know what it was, but it fell off. I'm gonna hope it was just like lime scale or something. I don't really want to think about it. They have subs disabled? You can do that? Oh, I think you can do that, that's right. You can't turn off... Wait. I think there's something you can't turn off, right? I think it's... You can disable subs, but for bits, you can only set a minimum amount. Something like that. I don't remember. Anyways, Spike Kirby, thank you for claiming your horse of the day! How many horses? Who's to say? Who knows? Who knows? But it is Hudson Horsachio. Oh, he's so full of candy. Welcome to the stream, Aki! Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for claiming your horse of the day! Some silly things are happening right now. You guys ready for the agenda for today? Oh my goodness! And thank you for coming your special weekly horse as well. It's the speed-winning Sackboy horse on all fours. He's so fast. He's so excited. Alright, let me open up MS Paint for you guys so I can explain the plan. Thank you, Anime Him, for coming your horse of the day. What? Why is there no space in there? They pulled the... Oh, excuse me. Why is there no space? I think we called this out before. The Trojan horse, for some reason, doesn't have a space between the name and, like, the horse. I mean, we get the message, but, like, why is it like that? Why's my head turned? Thank you, Metro, for coming your daily horse as well and your weekly horse. Oh, you just know that they're sleeping, huh? You got that timer in your head? You got it memorized? Or you just running on faith? Hey, how dare you? Alright, the agenda for today. It's gonna be a pretty simple programming stream, because I'm getting back into the groove of things. I don't want to think too hard. It'll be a nice thing that's like visible and fun, but it won't be like difficult to program. Let me make sure everything's working though. Connections, everything's connected. I just do it whenever it feels right. I respect it. We're not horse maxing. We are horse vibing. Sorry, I got distracted. The music's too good. Okay. Pull the text. We are working on the seiso command. So what do we want to do with the seiso command? Hold on, let me get Discord out of the way. There's a few things you want to take care of first. Well, also not the seiso, but also let's add another message here. And stream seiso. We're gonna make these commands a little bit more fun. We're not gonna like be changing the numbers at all yet. That's something I want to do for the future when I have it more like dialed down. I want to make it have funnier messages and acknowledge like silly things that happen. We've had a few ideas already, but we're gonna put some of them in place now. Thank you for the hydrates. Who did it? Anime Mayhem, thank you for the hydrates. I'll drink. Welcome to stream Tolerian. Oh my god, 75% seiso, 82% freak. This guy's playing both teams. Very high numbers. Oh, sorry. It's okay, Tolerian. We know that behind the sheets, it gets freaky. Just kidding. Bach, do you like your emotes? I thought it was pretty fitting. Anime Mayhem, you are 11% seiso, 5% freak. Wow. Such mild numbers. 58% seiso, 48% freak for Metra. Okay, I respect it. Broke the freak streak. Let's go! What's my seiso value? Are you kidding me? 89% seiso, 96% freak. Get your own emote. It's been there for a little bit now. I think it might not have loaded for everyone though. It takes a arbitrarily strange amount of time. Yeah, the VR chicken. I think it's a pretty fun one. This guy's such a freak. No. Who are you? Who do you? So what do we want to do with the seiso command? Here are some of the things on the agenda. How do we lower our font size? Oh my god! Time to feed my chicken with bits. Thank you for the 10 bits, Tolerian. I appreciate the support so much. That means a lot when you guys financially support me, even if it's just the little bitties for the bits. It's still support, and it means the world. Thank you so much. Let's make the font smaller. 12? That's too small. 20. What is this scroll bar? In my text box, I've never seen such a thing in MS Paint. Okay. We want to acknowledge funny numbers. So the first idea I had was, if you get 69% seiso, it acknowledges that as a seiso in Freak's clothings. If you guys have ideas or better ways to word these things, you can feel free to share. But these are just some napkin note ideas that I had for like what it should say. It's also, let's say like 69% freak. Oops. I don't know. I haven't thought of it yet, but it should say something, right? Something silly. What would it say if you got 69% freak? Wouldn't it be a freak? Oh wait, you're right. It is a freak in Seiso's clothing. Fuck, my bad. A freak in Seiso's clothing. This is why we have a chat, to call me out on these mistakes. Thank you for catching that, Mecha. Whoa! What are you shocked at, Kirby? I think this font is a bit small. Let's make this a bigger text box, and the font up to 36. There we go. Let's have this. Let's order this in like priority, cause like acknowledging these funny numbers is fun, but I think if you get 6969, that should be like taken, checked for first, right? So we'll have the order of these be like the precedence I guess. I mean, I have no idea what to do. No idea what to do about 6-7. We don't have to do 6-7 if you guys don't want to. Don't join the Discord. What happened on the Discord? I'm looking. I'm looking. I'm looking. I don't see anything. He's just saying in general, keeping the gatekeeping, making it a closed-off community. They put something in the Discord to make you forget? What? What does that mean? What are you saying? Am I getting gaslit? I don't see anything. Oh my god, hi, Night. Oh. Welcome to stream Nye. This is your horse of the day, second horse ever, one for each leg. Hope you're doing well, Nye. We're doing some silly things today. We're working on our seiso command. I love my horses. You love the horses. Nay. Thank you, Blue, for becoming your daily horse as well. What are you guys talking about with the Discord? Are you guys gaslighting me? There's nothing there. Thank you, Talibran, for becoming your daily horse as well. And welcome to stream Long. This is becoming your daily horse. Oh my god, everyone's horsing it up. Horse gang. 2026 is the year of the horse. 9% seiso, 7% freak. This guy's just chilling at the little low numbers. Discord, what is that? I don't know who's to say really. Isn't that Discord? It's just a word. Shockingly low values today. It's because he just woke up. He's not ready to freak on. Spike Kirby! Oh my god! Kirby! I've always known this to be true about you. I love my horse prince. That game is so good. Oh my, is that the horse you pulled? Wait, let me see. You did pull the horse prince. Oh my god. That one's in the horse gacha because of Aki. She's like, I was asking for horse suggestions. She's like, Anthony, you should add this one. I'm like, what the fuck is Yuma? And I look it up. I'm like, oh, it scared me. I'm gonna stream Wacky. This will be your horse of the day. Sorry, I giggle every time I see Wacky's emote. It's one of my faves. Hope everyone's doing well. Nice, 75% seiso, 37% freak. What do you think of that? You think this is an accurate description of yourself? Okay, we'll put a pin on this one. We'll think of something funny for that. But I think the highest priority for funny messages should probably be like same number, right? Same number. Say like same number, and it's a high number. It should say like I don't know. They're in it for the love of the game. And let's say same number, and it's a low number. We can say something like, they're just testing the waters. I'm being holy, trust. I'm gonna have to gather some information from people around the community to see how true that is. Nye presents as that, but under is likely 99% freak. That is a bold accusation, Wacky. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Broke the seiso yabai barrier and now something else entirely. Oh, is that what you're saying for 69? That might be pretty good. Alright, we'll put a pin on that. We'll leave it as we'll write down the idea of like broke the barrier. 43% seiso, 2% freak. But Lulu, I knew you had it in you. I knew you could do it. We're looking at 53% seiso overall, 42% freak overall. It's been so long since we have a seiso day. Let's go. The bee is so wicked. I love bee bobble. Balulu added bee bobble to our Discord, and that's why it's her emote for the thingy, 7TV. Also, Nye, something that I like to do if you're still listening, for people who show up to stream more than once, I like to give their name a 7TV emote. So if you have any emote that you like on 7TV, let me know. I can put that for your name. Otherwise, I'll pick one for you if you don't want to have that. The pressure of the decision, the weight of the decisions weighing you down. Thank you, Lear, for coming your horse of the day. Bulletin board. Oh my god, I love the horse race tests. But you're 16% seiso, 32% freak. Oh my god, it's like, I know the numbers are low, but that's twice as freaky as seiso. Ah, okay. What else is on the plans? Maybe if it's like same number, and it's like mid. You can say like they're playing for both teams. Actually, wait, does playing for both teams make more sense for high numbers or for mid? I think it makes sense for. I think playing for both teams works for either one, but in it for the love of the game makes more sense for a high number, in my opinion. Get your freak on. What in hello? that's not very safe of you. Anyone here read the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy 42 I haven't read it, but I know the reference. It's like 42 is like the answer to the universe or something. I don't know, it feels a bit. Is niche the word? I actually don't know how popular that story is. Because I've never seen it personally. What can we say about 42? Like the freak to solve it all. I don't know. I don't know enough about the story to make a good reference, unless you can think of something. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, some other things. We need more space. We're gonna need another MS Paint document. We can say highest freak percent is the freak leader. Look at the stream imperfect. This is coming your horse of the day. 81% say so, 83% freak. I see. just a little bit, more freaky. Bringing up the averages. That's what we're going for. Highest say so percent is the. Should we just call it the say so leader, or is it like? Is there a better word for that? I'm not sure. I think freak leader is funny because like, it's like what's the word? It's not rhyming, but it's like I don't know the word for like almost rhyming, but it rolls off the tongue really well because they both got the e sound, right? But seiso leader, it doesn't really roll off the tongue, so we'll have to workshop this one. WIP name. Sultan of Seiso. That's not bad, not bad. We'll write that down. Sultan of Seiso. It looks like we're already out of room. Should we lower the font size? Let's bring this down to 24. Oh, what a huge, huge increase to our writing space. Also move this up a bit. Yes. Here's another idea I'm toying with. I haven't thought of a word for this. Oh wait, Seiso Sultan versus Freak Chief. Wait, that's kind of banger. I think I like that. Hold on. Freak Chief. You guys have good ideas. Say Seiso Sultan. How's that sound? All freak? What does all freak mean? Are you saying like we should have a check for like some percentage of freak but 0% say so? That's not a bad one. Hold on. Uh, but what's the priority here? I think that do we care more about a 0% or a 69? I think 69 is funnier, right? Let's say 0%. Oops, I can't spell. 0% say so. If everyone is a freak, stream ends. Okay, we're not gonna do something like that. But how would you even check for it, right? Because you can just not do your say so check, or people haven't shown up yet. It was just like after the first 5, if it's all freaks, then we just end the stream. 0% freak. Something, I don't know. Oh, but if you get if you get 0 and 0, what happens? Right, we can just write down the edge cases. But there's some general things I want to get out of the way. There's this idea I've been toying with that I haven't thought of a name for it yet. But it's your say-so number minus your freak number. Like, I think you could say interesting things about that, right? Oh, I'm looking at my notes now. I wrote something on. If freak equals 1000%, then end stream. Oh yeah, it's that simple. He's a coder. He's a knower. Like here's what I had before. They're playing for both teams was on the high one, and the mid one was they're leveling the playing field. And the reason I got rid of they're in it for the love of the game is because here's my idea. If you have a let's say so percent minus freak percent. If you have a difference of 9 or less, and both numbers are above 75, it'd say like they're in it for the love of the game. Because then you have 2 really high numbers. You're just trying to get as high as you can. Doesn't matter what you get. Something like that. I think that'd be like a funny thing to say. But I haven't thought of too many examples. So let's say like difference of 9 or less. But it's like below 25. What would that be? Something. Do 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 do. I think we should take this one and put it down there instead. They're just testing the waters. If you get two really low numbers, let's say like less than below 20, because 25 is that's like you're starting to commit to something. Let's change this one to something. If you get the same really low number, what would it be? Maybe it's like they don't want to commit to anything. What do you guys think of for 69% freak? They're a prime freak for today. Well, prime is. I feel like when we're talking about numbers, it doesn't make sense though, because prime means something very different for numbers. I don't know. We'll put a pin in that one. Something. We also have to do. Oh yeah, not just zeros and zeros, but we have to do 100, right? Not 1000. That's not possible. 00 should just ban you. Pick a side, buddy. Oh no, we're out of space. 22. Oh, still too big. 20. Alright, I think if we're gonna add anything else, we have to like write on the right side or make another document. Oh, we can do this too. Shout outs to MS Paint for doing this always. Oops. No. Okay, I'm sure we can explore this more, but I think we have like a good starting place, at least to make some funny messages. 0% freak, 0% say so does not exist. I think it does though, right? Because the minimum value you can get is 0. Alright, we need to open up Unity. Do I have it open? I don't. I'm so unprepared for stream. This is the kind of prep I should have done before stream started. You know, before stream started, I was eating breakfast and I was watching streams. Y'all, I need some opinions. Do you guys like Twizzlers? Here, look at the camera. I got these Twizzlers, and we've had these since Halloween. And I wanted some candy, so I got these, and I brought them to my room. And I haven't eaten them because I don't like Twizzlers, and I think they're really gross. But like, I like candy. Maybe I shouldn't eat as much candy as I do. Well, actually, I don't even eat that much candy. But like, I really don't like Twizzlers. I love Twizzlers, especially when they come from the big odd jar. What about the poverty Twizzlers that come in the tiny ass packet? They cut one, like, what is this? 1 inch of Twizzlers for you, 1.5 inches. They got 2 pieces though. It just tastes like it feels like I'm biting into a car tire. Is that controversial? I don't know. Why is this camera moving so fast? Oh, has it always gone this fast? No, surely not. Guys, I don't remember the controls. How do I control? I've been using Blender. How do I move the camera in Unity? It's all different now. Alright, we'll just do free cam. All Twizzlers are loved equally. I don't know. I don't love that one long. I think they're quite yucky. I mean, to each their own. I'm not gonna yuck your yum. I'll actually I will yuck your yum. But you can like it. It's fine. What are we doing? We're not even like doing programming stuff in here. We're going into the code. I don't wait. Where is it? Was it this one? Release notes. Get out of my face. Shoutouts to the display text and the mod commands. I don't think these do anything, but I haven't gotten rid of them. This is just like part of the package because I want to see what they do, but I haven't figured that out. Is it just like a test thing? It says log username triggered mod command 1. Wait, what happens if I type this? I don't think it's gonna do anything, is it? Nothing. I can't believe you just dismissed the release notes. I'm sorry, my bad. A better streamer would have cared, I guess. We hope you're doing well, PNG. Welcome to stream Leo C6 playing your daily horse rapid dash. Display text. Yeah, I don't think these do anything. I might have turned them off. Only mods or the broadcaster can do these commands. Example: display text seconds. Display text is I think that these are commands for MDX Kai's stream, where like he'll type display text and then on his screen it'll like spawn in the letters. I think these are just leftover that they don't do anything. There's nothing checking for this. Or it just says log. Oh, log is it's gonna be in the logs then, it's not gonna be in the chat. How useful it could be to display one word? I don't know. I could just like put a word on screen, as opposed to like creating a special screen for it or an object for it. It just spawns it in. That's just my interpretation though. It says log, so it might just do nothing, or I put it in the files, log files that you can't see on stream. Display text, horse 69. Whoa, whoa, settle down, settle down. Let's hope you're doing well, Leo Siege. We're working on some commands, mostly the seiso command today. We're making it say funny things when you get funny numbers. Seiso message, here it is. Oh, we even started this, we just didn't write anything yet. This is the whole method. Chat message. Message is blank. Wait, so if the message is blank, it doesn't even send a message? Can you send an empty message on Twitch? Space. You can't. Oh. So here's the thing, like, a lot of the seiso stuff happening, it's happening within, mix it up. I guess I didn't think too hard about this, but if we do this, it's gonna, it might not track. I don't know. Because I haven't figured out the database stuff yet. Actually, we can use the same systems though. Hold on, let me find it. Downloads? No, not in downloads. Sorry, I don't mean to call it the lurkers. Don't look at that. I need to find where I store these files, these text files where I do all the math. I guess if I use the same files as what I use for Mix It Up, it should be fine. I don't have to like make the database logic just yet. Stream files. I think it's these. Stream total seiso. Wow, what cursed knowledge? We know that it's been 630 seiso for this stream. And 539 freak. 12, is that right? Alright, 12 people, yeah, that is right, okay. You guys know why it's like this? Why each of these is a file with a single number attached to it? It's because Mix It Up sucks ass, that's why. Sorry, not to be a big hater, but I'm hating I gotta hate a little bit, okay? Mix It Up is so obtuse, like, so you can run custom scripts on Mix It Up, but you can't save variables. Release the hate. Alright, I'm ranting. You can't save variables, at least not super easily, and Mix It Up. Like here's how it works. You can run a script and the output of that script gets saved into a single variable, and it's the same reference for every script. So if you want to use that value later, you have to save it into a file, and then because then like otherwise the next script you run is going to overwrite that data. So that's why we have all these. We have one, two, three, four. Wait, I guess another one here. One, two, three, four, five text files that are 1 kilobyte in size because they're only one line, and you have to save it to an external file, otherwise it gets overwritten. Dump all your stuff or mix it up over the streamer bots. That's the plan for the most part. Uh, but in this specific case, uh, not just streamerbot, but there's a thing called MDX data, which is like it's built-in database tools for Unity made by the streamer MDX Kai, which I kind of want to use that, but at the same time maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Like database structuring is something that'll be important for our stream like down the line, but I'm like not nearly experienced enough to get it done yet. And Kieran's also been recommending to learn stuff about Supabase, which is like that'll keep it on I think an external server as opposed to on my machine. I need to learn about like the pros and cons of each approach. Because with MDX data, at the very least, it's already built to be integrated with the existing systems that I have. But also that means that like this is code that doesn't belong to me, which means that I would not be allowed to like distribute this project around. There's stuff to think about. But Metro's also like very enthusiastic about like willing to code for the project, and in that case we do get to own the code. And if Metro wants to build like database logic, then like is it counterproductive to start using the like MDX data systems that have already been built? I'm not sure. But maybe we can start using it and just migrate the data later. That might be an approach too. But I also hear that database migration is kind of a nightmare at times. We'll figure it out. I don't know. But yeah, I fucking hate mix it up. I can show the code too. I'll just look at this briefly. So I didn't mean to nerd ramble about coding stuff. Yuck, coding, disgusting, yuck. Where is this? Is it action groups? No. Commands. Yeah, fucking special identifiers. So the special identifier, this is how you make a variable in Mix It Up. You give it a name, give it a value, and you set the value with a fucking like Mix It Up command or some shit, like using their own syntax. And if it doesn't work, it just gives you an error and you have to figure out what went wrong. It's annoying. So you can set special identifiers, right? What the fuck? Sorry, my phone vibrated. But then I forget the exact reasoning, but like, oh yeah, you can't. From what I remember, you can't. I think you can't put the output of a script into a special identifier, so you have to put it into a script, a text document. Every time I look at tutorials for stuff in Mixup, it's so convoluted. I know StreamerBot has more of a programmer approach, but I really think it makes it simpler to do things. I kind of agree. Yeah, I think if you're doing simple stuff, Mixup makes it really easy. But if you need any level of complexity or persistence across multiple streams, it gets way too messy. Where do I store the Oh, let me explore. Somewhere I have a file. For some reason, it's not in the same place. A file that contains all of the seiso values of people. I think it's not in the same place. Do y'all ever use the multiple tabs of File Explorer? Windows 11 feature. I'd say one of the few good features, but it's not even that well made. I can't like right-click something and be like, open a new tab. Can you? No, you can't. It's annoying. What is test count? 5. Middle click maybe? Oh, let's see. Oh, you're right. Okay. That rare W Windows 11. Not the most intuitive, but at least it works. Thank you, PNG. The new file explorer works pretty well, but I actually use one commander. Ooh, what is one commander? Let me Google that. One commander. Modern file manager for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Ooh. I assume tools like this exist, but I never looked into it just because, like, I assume tools like this. Oh, you guys didn't hear that. Why does it do that by default? I'm so mad. You guys, we can pretend that didn't happen, right? We can pretend that didn't happen. Welcome to stream Ziprat. This is coming your horse of the day. What's going good? You guys didn't hear it. You guys didn't hear that, okay? You guys didn't hear anything. I did not play my own stream on my stream. Anthony say some more like Anthony Susk. What is this accusations? I don't know what you're talking about. Doubt, that's awkward. Let's see. One of my favorite Windows 11 features is Wing It. I love to install things from command line. Ooh, I see. I've never been much of a command line person. I think I like the pretty interface, even if it's like slower and like less fluent. I'm thirsty. Ziprat, you're 21% seiso, 57% freak. Yeesh, ooh, yeesh, calling me the sus man. I don't know about that one. Excuse me. Anyways, I hate mix it up, and we're gonna try to replace this stuff with everything in Unity eventually. But we need to find where some of these variables are stored. Freak percent and seiso percent. They get saved somewhere. Consumables. Did I make it an inventory? Oh, if I did, that's annoying. I don't think I did. Wondering what happened to the other 22%? It doesn't add up to 100. Oh my god, Gooby, you're testing it. What are you testing right now? Are you passing the test? Did you study? Look at the stream, Gooby. They say claiming your horse of the day. I hope you're doing well. We're doing some yucky code. Disgusting yuck coding. I know, it's gross. Wait, it's a real test? You didn't study? Gooby! No, you failed. I'm sorry. Not everyone passes the test. I'm just kidding. The test redeem doesn't do anything right now. We have the test redeem there. It's kind of part of the culture. How, like, we'll make a feature for the stream and we'll have a test redeem to test it, and then I'll forget to turn off the test redeem. So it's just there. It doesn't do anything. But if you like wasting 1 point, by all means. So what we're doing right now is we have the seiso command on my stream, exclamation mark seiso. It just like gives you two numbers between 0 and 100, and we want to make it do some more fun stuff, like acknowledge funny numbers. So if you aren't familiar with the seiso command, every time you do it, it'll just like call you a seiso person or a freak, and it keeps track of like the numbers you've gotten before, and like pulls up the average if you do like exclamation mark seiso stats. Through the power of coding and technology, we're able to record the numbers and like keep track of the average. But we want to have some fun stuff with it, like acknowledge when you get 69, or like if you get 100%. So we wrote down some ideas, and we're gonna try to implement that today. Through the power of coding, and it's gross. That's so cool that you can code. Yeah, it's what I went to school for, but now I can't get a job. It's tough. It's tough. You guys know that. You guys know that computer science is like the major with. I don't know if it still is, but at the last time I checked, is the major with the highest unemployment rate upon graduation. Went to school for animation. Well, I think it's super cool that you can do art, Gooby. If y'all don't know, Gooby's also a streamer, and she does really cool art, and you guys should check her out, and it's super cool. Hashtag ad. Anthony, I dropped out of computer science. Are you proud of me? You might have dodged the bullet. I don't know. Did you drop into something else? Say something. Hey, what do you mean by that block? Of course, Gooby. I love. I'll say it every stream. I love like seeing all the different streamers in our big circle and how they all got their own little talents and they all emphasize themselves in their streams and express themselves, and it's super cool. And everyone does things differently, and it's awesome. You guys check everybody out, follow everybody. 1 billion followers to everybody. If there's a seiso, there should be a freak. Is there? I don't remember. Did I make something? Oh, there's not. Never mind. Everyone follow everyone. It's true. No, we do have we have this. It's not a command, but it's a it's an emote. It's if we're ever collabing with Aki, and someone does Giga, we get this emote. I think it's funny. What do you mean, freak? What do you mean? Can we get seiso that makes you wait? Oh, it's seiso. It makes fun for spelling seiso wrong. That's a banger idea. Let's copy that down. Let's get a little bit of text here. Exclamation mark seiso. Let's say like makes fun of you for a typo. Should it just be like a minor spelling mistake emote? Do you know how to use renpai? I don't. Wait, what's renpai? I forget. Visual novel engine. Oh, wait, is that the visual novel engine that uses Python? I'm not super good at Python. I've only done a little bit of it, so I wouldn't know how to use renpai. But I'm sure I could learn if needed. I want to make a game. Coding thing to make games. Oh my god. Wait, what kind of what do you have in mind? Renpai's goated. Oh my god, Balulu's a fan. Balulu's a knower. Try to avoid Python every time because every time I have to write it, I dislike it. It feels weird to me because the syntax is so different. But I don't know. It seems really intuitive every time I use it. It's just, well, I mean, it's like, I guess a better way to put it is like, I find it really easy to read what a Python script does, like in English. Uh-oh, am I dropping frames? Hold on. My frames! My frames! Are we good? Are we good? Hopefully. I want to make a visual novel one day. Oh my god, Gabi, I believe in you. I believe in you. You already have the art skills. Okay, do you have the ideas in mind, or are you just like, is it just the dream of making something? Because I know that a lot of people, when they want to make a game, they already have like a little vision in their head that they keep locked away in their heart. Sometimes they share, sometimes they don't. You know what I'm saying? It's like you have your ideas, and it's like you're so far from realizing them, but they're in there, and you really want to make them someday, right? Coding is so hard. It's funny that you say that, because like I've been watching more and more art streamers, and they're just like I'm just like, oh, drawing is so hard. I feel like I can't do it, and they're like, just do it. It's art. And then I see art streamers in my chat. They're like, oh, coding's so hard. I'm like, it's not that hard. Just do it. Also, hi, Kieran. Yeah, I think it's just a new scary skill, right? And it's daunting at first, but I think if someone like me can start drawing, I'm sure someone like you can start coding. I want to be able to blast whatever my thoughts blast whatever my thoughts are on the thing in front of me. That's so true. Like that's something we talk about a lot in the stream, is when people get good at shit, like their area of expertise, their passion, their art, whatever, they just it's so cool just seeing them like, idea, it's there, I've made it. Like, holy shit, you can just do that? That's where I want to be. So I hope you're doing well, Kieran. We're supposedly doing a coding stream today, but I just love to talk about people. We summon Kieran to coding. He can always sniff it out. You smell the code talk, yeah. Yeah, today we're doing some we're planning out our seiso command. Like, it's already working through Mix It Up, but we want to replace that code with Unity stuff and StreamerBot stuff, and we want to make it say some funny stuff. Can you imagine putting in these conditions in Mix It Up. I don't know if there's any like Mix It Up like people in chat who like tried to make complex commands and mix it up. It is a nightmare, and I think right now the conditions we have for a seiso command, we only have like 3, right? I think it's is your seiso value higher than freak value? Is it equal or is it lower? And it's so annoying because like it's like nest these statements so much, like like construct these blocks of steps, and it gets messy so fast. Mix it up as a gateway to StreamerBot. True, true. I should have done the StreamerBot from the start, to be honest, but I didn't know it was a thing. I was looking up tools. No, I remember now. I wanted the daily redeem on my stream, and I was like, "How do I make that?" And the tutorial said, "Use Mix It Up." I'm like, "Okay," and that's the start of that. Pew Pew shoots full shoots full dream game onto my computer. It's done. Like that's the game dev process. It took to 2 seconds. Now the AAA game is finished. Yep. Oh, excuse me. Gaming literally. Wait. Gaming literally is hard though. You're so right. Oh, sorry, I read that backwards. I've been gaming though. Gaming is hard. Cameron, I know you got the gamer in you. Uh, with the games you've played, you know, all these Metroidvanias, they don't hold your hand, and you power through. One of my own chatbots? Where'd you go to even learn that, right? I don't know. I like using the tools that exist if they work. When they stop working, that's when I start making my own things, right? That's why I'm trying to abandon Tits. I don't know. Minori disagrees with me. He says that Tits is reliable and works, but every stream, Tits, like, it just dies at some point. I don't know. Is it even working right now? Let me see. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. I think, guys, I think it died. So yeah, whatever Minori's got on his computer, it must be like a fucking. he's Tits' strongest warrior or something. I didn't even bother setting up Tits because I saw so many people having issues. I don't even know why it breaks. I blame Twitch. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Warudo has its own throw assets, so you know. Oh, oh. But that's why we do it in Unity, so we can do this. Now it exists in our scene, so if it breaks, it's our fault. Sometimes, not all the time. It still requires Mix It Up to work, but I've only seen Mix It Up break one time, like in all the time that I've used it. So I think it's mostly reliable. I blame developers who hold the Twitch API wrong. It's complicated but reliable. Exactly, exactly. I blame Kieran. Kieran, it was your fault the whole time. You didn't tell me. If you had told me, maybe I could have forgiven you. Oh, where'd my code go? I'm lost. Wait, my music ended. We've been live for an hour already. What the fuck? All right, let's put on the relaxing music. That's a bit too quiet. That's good. Came over here like Steve Jobs telling people they're holding their iPhone wrong and covering the poorly placed antenna. Telling people they're holding the thing wrong is my favorite pastime. Do it better. Do it better. Yeah, I love Undertale music, Gooby. It's I play it all the time on my stream. I don't know if people get sick of it, but it gets me in the working mood. Alright, let me open up my I'm gonna put this on the side. You guys can't see it anymore, but it's on my third monitor. Oh, I remember now. I remember now. I forgot. The reason we had open Mix It Up is we have to find where these things are stored because I forgot, to be honest. Chat message? No. We have our seiso percent. Is there Control F? Of course there's not. Of course there's not. Wait, what the fuck? Control C, Control F. Yeah, there's not. Coffee acquired, time to get back to work. Thanks for dropping by, Kieran. Hope you have a good work day. I always appreciate seeing you and applying your unique perspective. Oh, this music is too quiet for this banger to be playing. Remember, chat. The longer you spend, fix it up, the harder it gets to leave mix it up. It's true. It's true. That's why today we are making progress at moving past mix it up. It might take a while before we're actually like fully done using it, but every day we get closer, and I'm happy for that. Where do I save this? Like, it should save somewhere like right into a file. Conditional. Counter, seiso count, stream total seiso. There should be one that's like users seiso. Now you need a coffee break. Have fun, Gooby. I appreciate you dropping by as well, and I hope that you eventually realize your dreams of making that visual novel. That's a big dream. It's awesome. Oh my goodness, that's not very say-so. Am I blind? I feel like I should have found it by now. Consumables, conditional. You know what I should do instead? I should look at the seiso stats command. Here it is. Special identifier, average seiso, user global seiso total. Fuck, do I save it within mixup? Wait, no. User global seiso is a value that gets set at the start of stream, I think, because it's stupid. I think it's what I did. Go to... Is it any events? Twitch? Stream... Oh, no, it's not. Never mind, I'm wrong. Grr! Why can't I find my values? That's my favorite part. Stream total seiso. If there was a control F here, it makes it so much easier. Toby Fox pouring his soul into the OST for a 5-minute long era. I know, right? Area. Like, it's such a short part of the thing, of the chapter. And it's like, holy shit, my fucking, like, I can feel the emotions flowing through, the music powering me up. And it's like, oh, it's over. Okay. Now we're on more music. Welcome to the quote-unquote coding stream, where we don't actually do any coding. We just look through our old mix-it-up commands for variables for 7 hours. Alright, close this one. maybe I shouldn't close it. I gotta keep it open. Alright, left side is seiso command, right side is seiso stats. Where the fuck is this? I'm curious, what if I do this? No, that didn't work. Okay. Oh, banger alert! Hello? Banger alert? Sound the alarms? I'm going back and forth. I swear it was in here. It's total stream total seiso, total freak, seiso count, average, freak. Where did I keep the numbers that are for each user? I don't think. Wait, is it on the user information? Hold on. Users, Anthony, 2 Anthony was, one of them's on YouTube. Inventory, globals. Oh, it is. Okay, okay. Can I get this then? Okay, if it's not stored in a file, then I guess it doesn't matter how we do this. Unless it is. It's an inventory. Fuck, why did they make it an inventory? Ah, it's so annoying. I guess, well, this is all annoying anyways, whatever. We've talked about this before. I think that when we move on from mix-up, we're just gonna reset the seiso values, because it's gonna change the system anyways. I don't have any idea how to extract numbers to mix it up. I've tried looking. I'll tell you what, lossless PNG. We have definitely spent some time manually copying numbers from one place to another before, and that was a nightmare. Hi Una! Hi Una! Hope you're doing well, Una. Thanks for coming, your daily horse. The repo horse from the Museum of Human Art. Hope you're doing well, We are molding right now because Mix It Up is stupid and I hate it, and it's stupid and I hate it and it's stupid. Also, I hate it. But yeah, I don't think there is a way to cleanly extract all these numbers to Mix It Up. I've tried as well. Back when I was a much smaller streamer, it was still feasible to go through every user and copy the data or change the data. Not so much at this point. We've met a lot more people recently. I think like the number of people that show up is like doubled, and it's a nightmare. Let's see. Yeah, the plan for today, Una, if you're listening, is we are adjusting our seiso command. We want to make it say funny things when we get funny numbers, because right now it just it stores the value and kind of like acknowledges the difference, but it doesn't. We want some unique messages when you get certain numbers, you know. Now you're a big streamer, you can't do it well. I've made it. Let's go. 9% seiso, 10% freak. See, right now it says you're a freak today because the freak number is bigger 3 days in a row. Ooh, I wasn't keeping track, but you're keeping track. That means it means a lot more to you. But yeah, with the ideas we've generated, like, it'd be fun if it was like 9% seiso, 10% freak. Oh, you know, that's like both numbers are less than 20 and they're really close to each other. You're just testing the waters for today. That's the kind of ideas we're having. Sorry, I'm jamming to the banger. So I think then, if we can't get the individual values out of Mix It Up, we're just gonna let that simmer. Wait, this needs to close as well. So we can start just messing with this command then. So let's say the message that we get, let's say like username for now. test, and then we'll say, oh my god, test. We don't need a test because we know it's a test. What am I doing? Seiso is, oops. Okay, so I think then if we save this and then wait, put a space here. We save this and then run the scene. Oops. Wait, where's my Unity? Everything's out of order. So if I run this and I type !! say so, I think it should give like an extra message now. Yeah. Oh, it even comes before mix it up. Say so, Anthony Moss, say so 64, Freak 70. And if I do it again, it's probably gonna give me different numbers, right? Yeah, 42, 35. Okay. Bow, 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 bow. Doom, doom, ba-da-dum, wow, doom, 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 wow, doom, doom. What is this? Close that. I'm thinking in my head, there's a lot of different ways we can do this, and some of them are more messy and some of them are more elegant. But I will say, you know, they didn't teach me database construction in school, but they did teach me how to parse through text documents. So are we gonna fucking do the messy version and just build a text document that's formatted in a certain way, like a CSV, and then, well, I guess the JSON makes more sense, right? Because then it's actually organized. Okay, let's see. I think today, just to keep it simple, we're not gonna work on storing the values. We're just gonna make it acknowledge the numbers. Like that'd be the easy logic to get done, and then off stream I can look up how to like actually store it, make it persist, and all that. Let me pull up this again. Can we make a split view here? Nah, coding in a split view is a nightmare. Let's put this on the side. SQLite databases everywhere. I need to learn how to do that stuff. I think I had one class on database stuff, and it was like one of the worst like structured classes I've ever taken. They did not like they didn't like teach you like very well how to do it. They just like went over the theory behind it and like how selections work. So I have no idea how to build a database like from scratch, which is really unfortunate because a lot of my work has been like database work, and basically became like a very high level database manager instead of like a low level one, which is what I was trying to learn more of, so I could get more jobs in the field. But it's been tough, and that's just how it goes, right? If seiso percent is greater than, oops, no, if it equals 100. Let's comment this out because we don't need this anymore. Oops. Wait. Dino Nuggies. I love the Jansumi Nuggies. They look they look so cute. Oh my god, you guys see that video? There's that one Shorts creator. I assume he does TikTok also, but I see him on YouTube Shorts, where his like whole gimmick is he's like an amateur cook who tries to make like different sizes of like common foods. And one of his videos, he made gigantic dino nuggies, and then he also built a gigantic like potato volcano, like mashed potato volcano, and like put gravy at the top, made like a volcanic eruption, and killed all the dinosaurs. It was awesome. And all the dinosaurs were like big ass chicken nuggets. Username plus. Let me turn down the music a little bit, just a hair. Is playing for both teams. I can't type. I don't know if you guys like feel a similar way about keyboards, but ever since I started using a linear keyboard, my typing has gotten like so many more errors in spelling. I really like my keyboard right now. It's a silent linear keyboard, which is really nice for like, cause like it's really nice for streaming because you guys don't hear my clacking around. Unless you guys like that. You know, some people do like the clickety clack on stream. I'm not a fan personally, so I like the silent keyboard. My other keyboard, like let me see, like, what are some keys that don't do anything? Like it's super loud, right? It's super tactile. I love typing on that one, but it's such a hassle switching keyboards that I just use it as a macro board now. Wait, this is the wrong message. Oh, we didn't even make a message for this one. Hold on. What do we say for 100% by the way? Maybe like, is the king of the world? No, that's not right. I'll say they can do it all. Let's look at our mix it up again. I realized we should have looked at the how the message is formatted. Oops. Double checking. Oh, we have to add that too. I think double checking is gonna require like the persistent data that I don't know how to do yet. So we'll worry about that later. We are worried about this. Oh, so many conditions. Oh, what a mess. Username is oh, what a mess this is gonna be. I don't know how to format. Anthony's a burb. Yeah, I'd be whistling sometimes. It's one of my more proud talents, the fact that I know how to whistle really well. I guess if we already know it's gonna be 100%, we can just write is 100%, right? Is 100% say so and all caps and what and 100% freak. Freak in all caps. Say so in all caps. Truly, they can do it all. Alright, I think that's a good placeholder message for that. Else if so I guess the highest precedent or highest priority message is gonna be double 100%. After that, it's gonna be anything that is equal numbers. What do we put here? Same number but high. They're playing for both teams. Let's say like greater than. Oops. What's a high number? Maybe like 70. Greater than or equal to 70. Birdtony, what is he? Some kind of bird brain? Wait, the block. Say that again. I keep on running like a chicken with my head cut off. Don't make me sing on my stream. How dare you? Okay, now we actually need to start putting in the percentages. Is say so percent. Say so. Idiot! How dare you? How dare you insult me on my stream? I should pick up that perto and take a bite. No! Fine. She'll be spared just this once. But just know you're on thin ice, buddy. The song is so sad. I don't know if it's supposed to be sad, but I get that vibe from all the Mori music. Or like most of it. Alright, string format fans, don't look at my strings. It might hurt, this is just how I'm used to it. Self-care. Oh my goodness, Underfighter 30 stream streak, 1 month of Anthony supporting so consistently and self-caring me all the way. I appreciate it so much, Underfighter. You're so consistent, and it means so much that you love to drop by as often as you do. To that I will hydrate. Anthony Moi is seiso percent seiso and freak percent freak. Wait. And a freak percent freak. Gotta support the homies, and I appreciate it so much. You're right. I should hydrate everyone as well. Everyone's gotta drown. With love, of course. With love and consent. Uno reverse. Underfighter, you were 62% seiso, 66% freak. Now, what does it mean then that you are hydrating? Is this? There's better be water. That's all I'm saying. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm gonna stream a Nux. Thanks for including your horse of the day. Hope you're doing well as well. Hold comely material morning. Don't read the typo in that name. I still haven't fixed it. Oh my god, a Nux. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for thank you so much for supporting the stream. You don't have to do that, but I really appreciate it if you choose to. It means the world to me when you guys give me just a bit of money to keep the stream running. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your ad-free experience and your Sackboy emotes if you choose to be twitching like the Twitchers do. Today at Nux, we're working on our commands. We're making the seiso command say funny things when you get funny numbers. So if you have any funny numbers in mind, let me know. I'll start adding that to the system. It's water. It better be water. I'm just saying high freak value. It's quite suspicious. What if we had a freaky hydrate redeem? I'm kidding. No, that's a joke. That's a joke. Everyone calm down. Yay! I know it's a small detail in the stream, but how do you guys feel about the fact that the emotes, when they bounce, they fall through the floor and then they come back up? 213. The funny numbers have to be between 0 and 100. Sorry. Nothing above. Sorry. When you spam emotes, they drop below the floor and then pop back up because I did the scaling wrong on the chat. And I just didn't care to fix it, but I think it's kind of funny. Confetti! Funny number 13? What do you like about 13? What can you say that's funny about it? What did I write for high numbers? They're playing for both teams, that's what I wrote. They're playing for both teams. Wait, is there a typo here? Oh, plus. It's your birthday? Well, if it's something so personal, I think to celebrate one's birthday should be like maybe something else. I don't know. Unless I do something like check who did it, and then like if I check which user did it and then check the number, and then it's like if you did it and the number matches your birthday, then we can celebrate. But that's like that's we'll see. I'm not sure. Welcome to stream, Owl. Hope you're doing well, Owl. We're doing some silly business. We're coding. I know, yuck, disgusting. Who likes to see coding? Nobody. But it's for a good cause. You wanna go back to sleepies? Oh, take care of yourself, Owl. I also want to sleep. To be honest, it was one of those mornings. I woke up like a bit early. Didn't get quite enough sleep, and I fell back asleep, and then woke up again. I'm like, oh shit, an hour and a half has gone by. Just want to stop by and say hello. Thank you for the lurkies, Owl. Hope you're doing well. Hope whatever you got going on is going well. Hope you get lots of sleepies as well, whenever the time comes. Is this right? Should do a space here? No, it's fine. Okay, another one. Honestly, they shouldn't be taking this long to do simple if statements. But the music's kind of bumping, right? Maybe for the low number, it should be like less than 20, probably, right? The song is so joyous. I know, right? I love the second version of Fallen Down. I think it only plays. Can I say this without spoilers? It only plays in that one part. You know the part. And it's like it's so fitting for that part too. Like everything comes full circle. Underfighter pets. Let me show you an emote. Violence! Ah! I will say it's not the first time I've been called a bird, okay? Because on Discord, my profile picture is a bird. It was my sister's pet bird, who's no longer with us, unfortunately. They passed away a while back. But they're a very cute bird and kind of evil. But I thought it was really funny to take a picture of the bird in my hand, and that's been my profile picture for years now. Which is like kind of strange now that I'm a streamer who has like an identity, like a visual identity, I guess, a VTuber identity. Like I'm my Sackboy, the blue Sackboy with the cat ears, but it's not my Discord profile picture. Low drop, I never knew this. Really? I feel like I told it before. I don't know. Well, now you know. Yeah, their name was Hermes. Me and that bird got beef, but like they liked me the most because I'm the tallest person in my family, and I let them sit on my shoulders. One time, Hermes was like being naughty. They're walking on the ground, and I accidentally stepped on their tail, and all their tail feathers came out, and I felt so bad. I think they forgave me though, because they still like to sit on my shoulder. But I was so scared. I thought I hurt them. Well, I did hurt them, but I thought I fucked them up. But they recovered. Oh, my lips are dry. I'm whistling too much. Ah. I guess we'll say else. What's the final message? My final message. No, I'm sorry, Nux. Tits is broken right now. Classic Tits always stops working halfway through stream. There's nothing we can do about that. I'm sorry. You can beg the mods to refund your 16 points if they mean that much to you. But I leave it to their discretion. I apologize. There's nothing I can do. I'll just throw some of you IRL. Hey, settle down. Throw some of that insulation at me. Oh, who's throwing cotton candy at me? Oh, why is the cotton candy so itchy? Oh, it hurts. Thank you for the hydrates, Anime Him. And your weekly horse. Oh my god, you didn't even check if you had it available. You just knew. You just knew. Your special weekly horse is the Valorant horse. Oh, I'm sorry. Fished up doesn't work. It's because Tits is broken. No, you're wasting all your points. All the points that use Tits are not working, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Look, if you guys want it that bad, I can restart Tits, but it's gonna look weird. It's gonna be the full screen jump scare because Tits does that. Thank you, Alex, for becoming your weekly horse. It is the precarious Minesweeper horse. In one click, you made a horse. The whole board is full of mines. Are we feeling this? I feel like, for like the middle value of the same number, but the range is kind of wonky. It's 21 to 69. Oh wait, we have to put 69 in. Hold on. Else if is equal to 69. Can you fiddle with Yoshi real quick? How's that? Don't worry, he likes it. He's chilling up there. Hell yeah. Maybe it just be like question mark, exclamation mark, question mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. How's that? Some emphasis there, right? Who are you? Question mark. What are you? Question mark, exclamation mark. You're a freak! That's right, that. You're a freak. Have we ever gotten a 6969? I feel like we might have gotten it one time. We've gotten a lot of singular 69s though. I'm dropping frames! No! My frames! What's happening? Uh-oh, uh-oh. My frames! I apologize for the scuff. I don't know what I can do about this. I don't know how long the stream delay is now. I'm gonna do a quick test. Let's see. Test. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3-second delay if I refresh. It's not the worst. Okay. So 69 is a funny number. Less than 20. The range is 21. Maybe 25 is a better number. 25. No, I think 30 is a good one. 30. If you get like 33, 33, I think it's fine to say that you're like in the middle. Dum, 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 dum. Did I just drop more frames? My OBS, what's happening? I hope it's not too bad. I'm really sorry about this. I don't know what I can do. I hope it's like, is it on my end or Twitch? Because I heard that Twitch has been having issues, but I don't know if it's like, I feel like it's very self-centered to think that, oh, it's not my fault, it's Twitch's fault. Is Twitch down? Well, not, it wouldn't be down, but like, would it be, is it having issues? No, not, it doesn't seem like it's particularly having issues or being reported to have issues. I guess it's my connection, that's tough. I did notice I seem to drop frames if I'm like uploading a YouTube video, which is, that makes sense, right? But I canceled the uploads, I think. Yeah, it's paused right now. So maybe maybe there's another streamer in my house. Who knows? Grandma, is that you? Are you streaming on Twitch? You didn't tell me? I gotta give you my Prime. I'm chewing on your Wi-Fi cable right now. Anox, there's no such thing as a Wi-Fi cable. That's Ethernet. Wi-Fi is in the air. Glowing snow. Was that the song? What a nice one. How somber. Can you remind me when Glowing Snow plays? Maybe it's not somber, maybe it's scary. Okay, I'm gonna pin a message. / pin. Connection might be spotty. If stream lags, it's probably on my end. Pin. I don't want anyone worrying that their connection is spotty. That's on me, y'all. That's on me. I apologize. Oh, after the green witch turns, like, ooh, that's like not a happy song then. It sounds chill without the context, I will say, but yeah. It's called glowing snow because the snow here is TV static. Oh, I love all the double meaning stuff, like, or indirect meaning in Undertale. Oh, Deltarune, sorry. Is that your hair? Are you letting it grow out? Hair where? Me? My hair is pretty short right now. My stream is buffering a lot. I hope the delay is not long. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I could do. Is the stream... Okay, I'm looking at my own stream, it's buffering a lot. I don't know if you guys can hear me very well right now. I need to listen to my own stream. Hold on. 1 second, technical difficulties. I hate that has to come to this. Twitch.tv/Anthony Moore. Oh, delay is pretty low, actually. Okay, it's like 5-6 seconds. Hopefully it doesn't. Doesn't get any worse. Alright, whatever. We'll continue coding. I guess it's not the biggest deal in the world if like a coding stream is laggy, but I don't like to provide you guys a poor viewing experience. That's very important to me. Alright, if seiso is higher than freak, we gotta get all the seiso messages here. It's only a few seconds. Yeah, it's not super long, but like, it's like the longer it goes on, the worse it gets, right? And it's kind of out of my control at this point, but it's frustrating. It's just frustrating. Hi, Lier! You've come at a strange time. The stream is buffering, and I don't know what to do. But I hope you're doing well, Lier. We're doing silly things today. We're making our seiso command say silly things when you get funny numbers. So if you're a fan of funny numbers, Lier, feel free to add to this list of funny things. We're going for, if you get the same number, it'll say something silly. If you get 69, it'll say something funny. 100% should be something funny. 0%. Also, we want to keep track of the people who get the highest numbers. It was Block's idea. Like, we're saying that whoever gets the highest freak percent is the freak chief, and then Perfect said whoever gets the highest seiso percent is the seiso sultan. I like these ideas. I gotta pee. We got ads in probably like 15-ish minutes, maybe a little bit less. That's when I'll go pee. If I guess we can have a similar thing going on here, right? We can just copy most of this code, I think. Because this logic is assuming that the numbers are the same, but we want to have similar checks for if the numbers are not the same. So that's actually pretty lucky, or pretty fortunate. Go piss Gurk. Gurk! Gurk! Gurk, is this true? I'm just kidding. Wait, I just realized I didn't complete these messages properly. Wait. Music, too loud. I don't like this keyboard. Is it like mistyping or I don't know. I'll believe you. Alright, fix some typos there. I think that... What are we feeling here? If you get 100% say-so, but 69% freak, should that be a different message than 99% say-so 100 and 69% freak? Does 69% freak have higher priority than 100% say-so, like for a funny message? Or should it be a unique message for the double special case? What the heck? Okay. I can't think of any funny message that we'd have if we got 100% say so and 69% freak. So for now, I'm just gonna make 69 be the first number we check for. So let's put an else here. Actually no. Control X, clear that line, put it here. Oh, I gotta pee. I gotta pee, but we're not. It's not time yet. I gotta endure it. Because what am I gonna do during the ad break? Hi, Teneb. Go to your stream. If you guys don't know Teneb, you should check out his stream. He's also a dev streamer. He's doing some silly stuff. He's a he's an Unreal Engine coder while I'm doing stuff in Unity. So we got different engines, but he also sets up his stream in a custom space. I think it's super cool. You guys can check him out. And he's live right now. Let's see. Say freak. Oops, freak. There you go. I need like, you know, something that I feel using a smaller keyboard is there's no thing that tells you, hey, caps lock is on. Because I very frequently have it on when I don't mean to, or have it off when I want it on. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. There, a freak in seiso clothing. It's crazy. The amount of time between like, man, I should go pee next ad break, and then that feeling of, oh, I have to pee now. It really shrinks down. It's like, what do they call that? That's like that's quantum physics. That's length contraction or the time dilation. All I can think about is having to pee. "100% say so." I realized that there are more typos here we have to fix. There. Oh shit, that's the whole line. Go piss, Anthony. I have to line up my bladder with the ad break. Otherwise, We're gonna have 3 minutes of awkward silence while I wait for things, for time to pass. In fact, I'm drinking more water. Now my cup is empty, which means that. Ooh, excuse me. When I go to the bathroom, I also get to refill my glass. Not at the same time. Don't get it twisted, okay? I'm not refilling my cup in the bathroom. Don't be ridiculous. Okay, I love this song. What do these squiggly lines mean? Change lines? Oh! You know what? Wait, I know how to make you pee XDX? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? When you said those words, like, I heard the words you said, but when you said them, when they came out of your mouth, what did they mean? There are some VTubers, what is that? What are we talking about? Who like to have a lot of pee. I am not interested in whatever services you provide. However, I am intrigued. Because they orgasm better. Is that you? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? I don't quite understand. This is beyond my area of expertise. I'm unhinged chatter, by the way. I'm well aware, Lear. I'm well aware. I know what kind of communities you dabble in. And we don't judge here. However, we do question with a raised eyebrow. So go pee. Well, I don't like this thought of you saying, I know how to make you go pee, and then you tell me to go pee. We'll go pee in 2.5 minutes when the ads start. So I don't think about those VTubers. Okay, calm down. Calm down, calm down. Okay. Separate the Anthony from the rest of the crowd, okay? This is... You can have your what's the word? Niche? I don't know. The niche that you like. That doesn't mean it's me. Everybody pees, okay? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh, nuh-uh. If you... That emote's because of you, Lier. We added that because of you. Hey! Squidward return fire! Then it's war! Yeah, oh! How dare you? Alright, I need to have my thing open so I can see when the yeet happens. Oh, don't look at that. Sorry, I was moving my things around. You watch other streamers like, nuh-uh, nuh-uh, nuh-uh. Who do you think you are? Nuh-uh. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. Ooh, there is no clip command on my channel. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's just so okay. Look, I can explain. There's just so many cool people who stream stuff, you know. And like, I gotta stream sometimes because I got my stuff. What the fuck, Java update? Get out of here. and then they stream at the same time. I'm missing it. But I don't have to miss it. I could just use my extra monitor. I'm actually so distracted right now. Like, I think Edge is starting a little bit. Am I free? Can I finally go pee? Okay, after we pee, or after no, not we. After only I pee. You guys aren't allowed to pee yet. We don't pee together. The productivity is going through the roof. My mental is being reset and cleared. Okay, it's gonna be awesome. Slash commercial because it's not starting for some reason. 180. I'll be right back. I gotta pee. Fail to start commercial. Alright, it's starting on its own then. B R B P break. Alright, I'll be right back, chat. Don't go anywhere. What is this clip that Lear put in my chat? Download the clip he got caught. Do not believe it. Guys, it's incredible what AI can do these days. This slander is incredible. Okay. That's not even a real Twitch link. Okay, that's Sora AI or something. I think that's what it's called. I'm eating Oreo because I thought I worked hard today. I could treat myself. Actually, I do want to see what it looks like though. Let's watch this on stream. Watching Anthony Moore content on Anthony Moore's stream, how self-centered. Oh, don't look at that. Sorry, I was moving my it's so obvious. It's not even subtle, it's just like the entire thing has showed up. Whoops! How did that happen? Whoops! Alright, know that. Alright guys, I ask again, is this a judgment-free zone? Are you guys gonna make fun of me for eating my snacks? Then you just deny it. It didn't happen, it's not real. It's AI. It's AI generated. I'm having my... If you guys will judge me, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm eating. Maybe you can tell by the sound of the crinkling plastic. Oh, it's not even that good. AI generated blackmail. Clueless. I hope you guys know, when you guys say things in chat, and it's clearly supposed to be a 7TV emote, but it doesn't show up because I don't have it. I keep note of that. And I'll add it at some point. Do not worry, your culture is not forgotten. Snacks. Yeah, I be eating. Crunch? It's not crunchy. No, it's not crunchy. Oh, the crunch emote, that's right. It's the emote. Sorry, I'm dumb. I'm eating a slice of American cheese. We don't have a lot of snacks right now, so, you know, we make do with what we have in the fridge. OG viewers will remember, back in the day, okay, I'd be streaming, I get an apple, I crunch that shit, and everyone's like, God damn, it's a crunchy ass apple. Is tits working? I don't know, let's see. It is working. What's the plan? I'm glad you asked. We're going back to coding as soon as I finish this slice of cheese. I love that I'm like this as a chatter, but as a streamer, I'm so wholesome. You are very wholesome on your stream, I just say. I enjoy your streams very much. Though sometimes you stream at times that go under my radar earlier. That's why I join your discords. Hopefully I can get the pings when they happen. Because, like, not your last stream, but the stream before last stream you did, like, I fell asleep. I think like I was laying in bed. I was like, oh, I'm so tired. And I saw you went live. I'm like, I have to watch. And like, I fell asleep. And I didn't get to see it. I was too slow. 12-second delay. Oh no. You might have to refresh. It might go down a bit if you refresh, or it's just really bad right now. I'm sorry if it is. We're currently at 2.4% dropped frames, which is not the worst, but that is a sign that it's like not good right now. People said that my voice gets them sleepy IRL. I see. I didn't even make it to the stream. That's why I was so sad. Yeah. Well, if y'all didn't know, Lear is a streamer, and they got some fun commands on their stream. They got these little ooh cats, and you can mess with them with the commands. Tetsu's spinning behind me. What's she doing that there? Okay. Oh, we moved on from the relaxing music. Now we're on the tense music. Oh! I want to mess with the ooh cats? Then tune into Lear's stream! So, I doubt they're live right now. Always gotta check though. No, they're not. Okay. If you were live right now watching my stream, it would come full circle, cause Teneb called me out for watching his stream while live, and he said hi in my chat. Maybe one day. It takes some uh, discipline and skill to be able to stream while watching streams. I learned from the greats, you know, a certain somebody who has googly eyes and pink wrinkles. Names will not be said. That's who I learned from to watch streams while streaming. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we're in the seiso messages. If you get 69% seiso, any amount of freak, I'm thinking, is you're a freak in seiso's clothing. Now, second condition, if you're 100% seiso, then let's see. Oh, hi Lippy. 2% seiso, 58% freak. Lippy, I thought better of you. Oh, excuse me. Alright. I hope you're doing well, Lippy. We are adjusting our seiso command today. It's not in effect just yet. I'm missing 11%. I went to get 69. Almost there, almost there. Yeah, we're gonna start making it acknowledge funny numbers that you get. Because we've been getting a lot of those lately. Though imperfect said it might just be like, I forget what the word is, but like we're biased towards numbers that are recognizable. Am doing nice. What about you? I'm doing quite well. We're very hydrated today. I've been drinking a lot of water. I had to do an emergency pee break during the ads. The stream's been fun, and I feel productive today. My headache has not really been that strong today, so I'm feeling pretty good. Ooh. I'm thinking, yeah, the plan today is to make funny messages for the funny numbers. We're gonna get the we're not gonna fully implement it today because I don't know how to do like the background stuff. This song is nice. Is this the church song? This is Poems in the Fog? No, or is it Old Wooden Rafters? Old Wooden Rafters. Unless I read that wrong, I don't know. I'm like, the way I have to see the name of the song is I just check the timestamp in the video, then go to the description to see which songs play at which timestamps. If I'm feeling well, I might play a game after coding some stuff. I don't know. But what game would I play? I don't know. We'll see. I might not play a game. Labubu John, 90% seiso, 86% freak. You're so seiso today, but also very freaky. Hope you're doing well. I'm like the Avatar, collecting all the seiso and freaks. Also, welcome to stream, Redlin. I hope you're doing well as well. Thanks for coming, your daily horse. Daredevil, the horse of the headless horseman. Thank you, Labubu John, for coming, your daily horse as well. It was so funny. Last night, so I wasn't streaming last night, but I was on Char's stream because we were playing Project Zomboid, and Labubu John joined the chat. He's like in the chat, and I was like, "Oh, Char, I don't know if you recognize them. They changed their username. It became a whole detective mission. It was great." I'm surprised Char knew how to like check their chat history to figure out who they were. Anux, you are 71% seiso, 68% freak. You're so seiso today, but you're very close. That's like just a couple percent away from like 69, 69. So we don't count almost here, okay? It's very normal. What do we say if you get 100% seiso? Like, I can think of a few things like, oh, that's as seiso as it gets. It doesn't get more seiso than that. No, how about this? They're so seiso. Truly an example to follow. Ah, the fruits! You can do more seiso. 110%. Incorrect, false, not true, and you're lying. A fib in my chat? Don't you know this is punishable by death? Did you read the rules of my stream? Please scroll under the stream and look at the rules. Did you look? Did you scroll down? Did you look? Did you look? Did you look? Made you look! Oh! Oh! Gets him every time. Okay, so if you are 70... Wait. If you are greater than 70% say so, what should we say? Maybe we shouldn't have the logic like that. Oh, Minori Nyabe, Minori Nyabe. No! No, it can't be! Minori, no, don't say it, Minori. Oh, Minori. Minori. I can't believe this guy gets to make as many 6-7 jokes as he wants. He is too free. Guys, we have to kill him. I hope you're doing well, Minori. This is clipping your horse of the day. Wait, did you? Yes, you did. You got the Minecraft Skeleton Trap host. You got boned. He loves getting boned. Joke's on you. I don't even know how to check the rules on mobile. I don't know if you can, actually. Maybe you can't. Like, if the rules are below the stream, I mean. I guess my joke is, you're immune to my joke. Team Minori. Oh, he's such a big fan. Shoot that chatter. Shoot that chatter. I'm just that 6'7" guy. Minori, you're known for so many greater things. Minori, it doesn't have to be like this. You can still be the repo guy. It's so much better. Ugh. I gotta be patient to let out some of the steam. I hope you're doing well, Minori. Woo! 5 stream streak! Yippee! Yippee! Thank you so much, Minori, for your consistency. Oh, he's such a what's the word for, like, it's like those students who are always on time on class. One of those people. You're such a that, Minori. Speaking of being on time, Minori. Did you go live yet? Is there any hope for a Minori stream today? It's okay if there's not, I understand. But I was looking forward to it, and I always like seeing you stream, Minori. It'll be like 2 hours total. That's okay, Minori. I've done 2-hour streams before. Okay, if you don't, that's alright. You know, next time, we'll see. But I hope you stream more in the future. I miss typing in your chat while I'm live. Not that I ever do that. I don't do that. No, I don't ever type into other people's chats while I'm live. Wait, let me try something. Hold on. You guys can't see this, but my chair can recline. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm so comfy right now. Can you imagine? Like, okay, hold on. Can I get this on? There's my hand, right? I guess I can't really show this on the Yoshi cam, but I'm laying back like, whoop, like not all the way bound, maybe like this much, and I can't really see the monitor laying back this much unless I like look down. Right. But like, imagine if I could code while laying back. Oh my god, I'd code everything in the world. Hi, I'm Chatter Moi. I be typing it. He's just saying whatever he wants. Who makes the rules here? Someone's got to start enforcing it. Mods, get him. No, he has a sword. We can't do anything. Speaking of mods, though, I really want to do our our next event. I'm feeling like a bit stuck on how to plan it out, but I think it'd be pretty fun. For like around the end of February, we'll have our election. You guys will put up a vote or something like that, and we'll decide who should be the lead mod. Anthony671. Nobody's ever said these words before. How could you introduce this into the world? You've altered the course of history by putting this into our minds, and now we're doomed. Block, no! Block! Stop! You don't know what you're doing by saying that! Sex 7. How cursed. We're gonna have to delete the VOD now. 99% free. Yeah, an election, yeah, for lead mod. Cause you know, it's usually people who like assign someone lead mod, it's like a trusted friend, right? Who can really be trusted to like either manage VIPs or the other mods and stuff like that. That's boring, right? We don't need moderation here that much. I think the way that I stream, we don't really attract too many bad actors. So like even the mods that we have, they don't need to do much. So the idea of needing a lead mod is kind of silly for our community. So I think it'd be fun to make an event out of it, and then you know, whoever gets lead mod, it'll be in the people, the power of democracy. I vote Labubu. That's not an option, unless you mean Labubu John. But anyone is eligible for lead mod, as long as you join my Discord and then present something to me like your electoral campaign, and to convince the people why you should be lead mod. We'll put up a vote and see what happens. And if you become lead mod and you do something bad, it will impeach you. That's just how it goes. Me mod XDX. Look, Lear, as long as you get the vote of the people, it doesn't matter to me where the votes come from. Like literally, like Fortnite Ninja could come into my stream, get his entire community to vote for him, and I'd be fine with that. You know. The votes can be from my community or anyone else, as long as they're not like botted votes, like or like cheated or like alternate accounts. If I'm a lead mod, I will ban myself. Can you actually ban yourself? I know you can unmod yourself. I don't know if you can ban yourself. Can I pick Minori in the future? You can pick Minori, I guess. Well, I mean, no, well, as in you can vote for Minori. You can't pick the mod, the lead mod. Can we vote for John Twitch? Who the fuck is John Twitch? You talking about Jeffy B? My G? The guy who gives me $3 for every Prime sub? I mean, I guess. Does he have a Twitch account? Like, I think at the bare minimum, whoever gets assigned lead mod has to like know who I am. It can't be a stranger. They have to at least like know, like have been in my chat before. That's what I'll say. Which, hey, like a first time message for the day of the election, that counts too. But can we impeach Anthony for 6-7? What did I didn't do anything. What do you mean? Oh, you guys are being ridiculous. Ugh. Labubu Army, get in here. Is that an account? I'm clicking on it. They have not chatted here. This channel does not exist. Okay, that answers that question. It's funny that you can just add anybody even if they don't exist. Valorant has been here gifting subs, so I think they qualified. Wait, is Valorant actually an account? Someone with mod add a 7TV emote to Anthony that has the 6. Wait, what? We have a 6-7 emote already. Oh my god, Bailiff, thanks for coming your daily horse. I hope you're doing well, Bailiff. We're talking about plans for the future. Our lead a mod election. That I think it'll be really fun. As long as people want to like actually like present or something, like make something that's like an electoral campaign that I can show on stream, it'd be really fun. But I don't know if people really want to do that. I don't know. I think probably at the start of February, I'll start asking people around, like asking in our community, if this event's gonna happen, would you actually participate and like and do something for it? And if we can't really get more than a couple people, then we might not go with the idea. Maybe we'll go through it at a later time when we have more people. Valorant will become lead mod. I don't think they can handle the responsibility, Minori. We know Valorant's a very volatile thing. Yeah, but 6-7 is not the same as Anthony. You're saying it has to be me doing it? You guys don't want to see that. I promise you don't want to see that. Anthony's mom? I don't think she knows what Twitch even is. Bans chatters if they don't play Valorant. Well, fuck, I'm gonna get banned. I haven't played Valorant in like a year. Okay, it's not that long. We're like 6 months. The ultimate Wordle playoff? Are you saying that all the candidates for lead mod have to play Wordle and whoever does the best gets it? The Wordle winner wins the channel even better than lead mod, they get the full channel? Lockdown's a better Valorant? Is Lockdown the one with the, is that the one with the randomly generated map? That's kind of like Siege? I think I played it once, I think, if I'm thinking of the same thing. It's not really for me, but I've seen a lot of it. It looks really fun and funny. Wordle as lead mod if no one wins. Is there a Wordle Twitch account? There has to be, right? Oh wait, Lockdown's the Valve shooter mode. Sorry, I'm thinking of something else completely. I don't know Lockdown then. My bad. At World, do you exist? Let's click on it. They have 3 followers! And they have a profile picture. I can't really tell what the picture is. I think it's a group of people. Let's see, schedule. They haven't streamed recently. Videos. All videos. No videos found. Their channel description is recommend me movies. Well, how? How do we get in contact with you? I've never seen this person talk anywhere. Is Lockdown the one with Germ as a character? No, it's not, is it? Wait, it is. You're right. Wait, that's Lockdown. Oh, I have played Lockdown. Wait, I think. I'm googling it. Valve Lockdown. Images. Wait. No, Deadlock, that's the game. No, the game is... Deadlock is the MOBA. Wait, did you get the wrong name? I was thinking fucking... You know, I think about Lockdown Protocol, that's a very different game. Dude, I have no idea. Like, I play FPS. Wait, I'm tempted to ping big streamers like Iron Mouse or Sea Dog. That's probably bad manners. Do they actually get notified? I have no idea, actually. I'm so confused. Don't worry about it, Bailiff. We're talking about some nonsense here. Have you seen me? My reaction time's the same as a rock or a sloth. I get. Hey, it's okay. Unironically, I do think that, like, I will say, reaction time is really important for shooters, but if you accept for yourself, you know, yes, I have bad reaction time, but I'm going to push against the odds regardless, I think you can find a pretty high level of success with bad reaction time. You just have to play in a very particular way. We're making stuff up, yeah. I thought Lockdown was the name? Yeah, it's Deadlock. Lil John at Anthony Moore. Maybe he sees it. I'll ping the biggest streamer. Wait. They didn't give me a ping in chat though. I'll show you guys this though. Mentions. Wait, yeah. Wait. Yeah. So here's Chatterino, right? I know my Chatterino is a mess. There's 1,000 streamers here, but at the very end we have the mentions tab, and it does show here, right? But does it show if you get mentioned on chats that you don't have here? Like, somebody find a channel that's not on this list, okay? And then do at Anthony Moore and see if it ends up in my mentions list. Oh my goodness, yeah. I did. I count. There's like, I think there's like 77 people here. I'm just such a big fan. I wasn't kidding when I said I love like this circle of streamers, how everyone's like loosely connected. So some of them are like one-off people. Like this guy's not part of the circle. Where are they? So someone on here like is someone I found on Twitter. Big streamers probably get a ton of pings a day, probably don't pay attention to it. That is true, but I do want to know if it shows up in the mentions if you get pinged in a channel that you don't have like on Chat Arena. Because how else would you see it, right?
君は実にバカだな。
君は実にバカだな. But yeah, I remember I got called out by Shixie the other day. She was like, "Hi Anthony, why are you always in my offline chat?" I'm like, don't worry about it. It was really funny because like, I was like, "Good morning, Shixie, I just woke up," and she's like, "You're in my offline chat while you're asleep?" I'm like, don't worry about it. Oh. Guys, I think we're getting very distracted. I said that productivity is going to go up after I pee, but clearly that's not true. Ooh, excuse me. You're such a big fan. I'm a huge fan. I'm blowing all the air. He's blown away. Oh! Stalking? I'm not stalking. Also, she's stalking you in the chat. What does that mean? What does that mean? No, no. Isn't it like a rule you're not supposed to talk about the lurkers? I do think it's strange though that like Chatterino actually puts you in the offline chat if you just have it open, because like that's different from watching the stream, right? It's not a big deal, I guess though. She knows when you're sleeping on the floor. Hey, that's not true. The floor is a sacred location of privacy and secrecy, okay? Anything you say about my floor is not true. Excuse me. I will say though, if we're gonna break the rules of lurkers, shh, quiet. Shh. You're not supposed to talk about this. What? It scares me. Look at this. Who is this person? Who is this person right here? They're always here. I don't know who they are. Shh! Don't wake them up. I don't know who they are. They're always here. They're always here. I don't know who they are. They've never said anything, but they're always here in the offline chat or in the lurking chat. Can I be Anthony's number 6-7 fan? Can we kill this guy? It's my biggest fan. Oh, delicious. Shout out lurkers. Check out lurkers. They're playing no game at twitch.tv/lurkers. I'm screenshotting that. Lurkers has 53 followers. About. We don't know much about them, but we're sure Lurkers is great. They haven't streamed recently. No videos. Damn, what a shame. Epic comments. Shoutouts to Minori and Yabe. Corgi VTuber and Idol? Oh my gosh. In my epic comments chat. What is this? Some kind of Castle Town? I love this song. I love the Castle Town song so much. It's like, it's not just this one. All the songs that have this motif, I love them so much. It's one of my favorites in the series. Exclamation mark rock rate my epicness. Minori, I'm gonna put a landmine under your pillow. I'm gonna cover you in egg yolk, then throw crumbs at you, then throw you into the boiling oil. No, it's a joke. It's a joke. I wish violence upon my friends. I hope it would land in mine pillow. He's just saying words. He took what I said, changed the order around. That doesn't make it make sense. He's just saying things. In one ear, out the other, out his mouth, into my ears. What is going on? What do you expect? They are a VTuber. You're right. You're right. This guy Minori, guys. We gotta capture Minori and like wrap him up. We're gonna wrap him up in we're gonna wrap him up in bubble wrap, and we're gonna roll him down a hill. He's go pop 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 pop. He's gonna roll down the hill. Pop 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 pop. Anthony, should I bring gloves to search in the trash? Uh-oh, I'm dropping frames. Hold on. Hold on. Am I back? Am I back? I'm dropping frames. Spike Kirby, if you can hear me, wear the gloves! You must! It's too dirty in there! Yes, you should wear gloves. I don't know if I'm still lagging. Wear gloves. I wear gloves all the time. It's their job to talk. 50% autocomplete on stream. It's true. It's true. He makes things up wherever he wants. No accountability on this website. I say it every stream. He just lies. This guy Minori, he just lies. He just lies. I saw things beyond knowledge. I'm beyond intelligibility. Minori, how does one become as wise as you? Spike Kirby, if you can hear stream buffers, that's so funny. Wear the gloves, Kirby. Wear the gloves. It's so gross. Why are you searching through trash? Did you lose something? I hope you find it. Oh my god, what's that in the trash? It's Minori Nyabe. What are you doing in the trash, Minori? Don't eat that. Spit it out. Smacks your head. Spit it out, Minori. I have Nya balls to capture Minori like a Pokemon. Nyabe balls. Well, I hope that the context is always present because Nyabe balls out of context sounds very strange. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Okay, we need to finish these if statements because this should take like 5 minutes total, and we've been like dilly-dallying for 3 hours. Okay, I need to add a comment here. Let's say, before checking. Actually, is it before or after? Okay, let's put it int here. Int difference. Equals seiso percent minus freak percent. Okay. So obviously, if they're the same number, the difference is 0. So I think we can skip the condition here. But in this one, oh, that was my neck. You guys hear that? Oh, that felt good. Sorry, it's my thinking crack. I'm thinking like for how do we do this? Like if you're at least like 20% more seiso than freak, stop? Well, you don't like that? That scared you? Guys, it feels good. You guys should do it too. I learned recently that Shuxi is also a neck cracker. I don't know if it... I didn't really hear it on her stream, but she says she does it. Sackboy is dead. My head just falls down. Oh my god, that should be a thing, right? If I crack my neck, it should make my head fall off my Sackboy. I think the delay is building up. I think that every time I drop frames, I can feel the chatters taking longer to adjust something that happened. It's okay. We make do with what we have. Poor connection happens. It's my fault, okay? It's my fault. But as I was saying, I want to keep track of the difference between your seiso percent and your freak percent, and if that's greater than a certain amount, that should influence what it says, right? Because I feel like it's wrong to say, "Oh, you're so seiso today," if like your percent, if you're like 51% seiso and like 49% freak, like it's pretty close. Like you're not so seiso. How about this? Let's do this. No. I was gonna say like maybe we can set up some like pre-made messages that's like no, there's too much diversity in these messages to make like little chunks that are like you're so say so today if like difference is this much, and then I don't know. I'm just gonna start making case by case and let's see how it goes. I'm probably overthinking it anyways, like it's not that deep. It's just for fun. Ooh. Now this is thinking music. I'm thinking. If if difference is greater than 20, they're so wait, I wrote it twice. They're so say so today. Oh, what a short song. I wish that was like 10 minutes long. It's like 20 seconds. What do we think of this logic? If your say so percent is above 70 and there's a difference of 20% between your say so percent and your freak percent, then we can say you're so say so. Otherwise, wait. Excuse me. Just a bit. No. So this is if it's above 70. So like if you get like 80% say so and then like 75% freak, you're only like a bit more say so than freaky, right? Maybe 20 is a bit much. Like if I literally get 71 and then 50, or yes, 51. 20s. I don't know. Let's say 25. Am I really getting worked up about micro differences? It's fine. Lol, 2 dudes yelling out my window. 1, I don't hear you. 2, you don't hear me. No, I can't hear you. You guys want to grow old and like lose your hearing together, right? Like, that's like, isn't that the dream? To like be old with your friends and like all have your body degrade together, so you can just kind of like relate to each other in that way. Imagine me and Minori in the VTuber retirement home, like, Minori! He's like, huh? I'm like, you're a freak! Huh? Hi, Jatsumi. Hope you're doing well. Like, Minori! Huh? I can't hear it. What'd you say down there? You're a freak! What? That's a mirror, Kirby. Stop looking at it. Hope you're doing well, Jensen. We're coding. I know, disgusting. How lame. We're making our seiso command more fun. We're gonna make it say funny things when you get funny numbers. See, you and Minori will be in the home, but I'm already dead. I'm too old. No, Bailiff, you're gonna be the world's oldest VTuber. Don't worry, we'll keep you alive. You won't be allowed to die. So that's a bit morbid. I'm joking. We'll keep you hooked up to the machine, Bailiff. The machine will keep you preserve your life. It's like in what's it called? Team Fortress 2. Like the guys who are in charge of the companies behind the two teams, they're all they're like their lives are prolonged by machinery. Jensen, you're testing it. He's tested. He's wasting channel points. Get him. Get him. Yeah, test everything doesn't do anything right now. Okay. Maybe this should be absolute value. How do you do absolute value? No, does the song end there? It's one of my favorites. So the else for here, okay. The difference checks if there's a big difference between your two numbers. Squish Sackboy on that Zaza. How much is the modified cost? Yeah, it's 80 points. That's the cheapest I could make it. I think it's really fun. Theoretically, anytime you want a modified Sackboy emote, you can go to my offline chat and only spend 80 channel points. I don't think there's like a big demand for that kind of thing, but you could. Oh shit, the spacing is corrected. Ugh. Did you know if you meow 10 times, you lock in 10% more times? I don't think that's true, Minori. I don't think that's true. You're not gonna be the meow in my stream, you fool! Who do you think you are? Minori, I'm gonna copy this message, okay? And you're gonna And in a future date, I'm gonna post this in your chat, okay? And I'm gonna see what you say. The time of reckoning will be soon, whatever your next stream is. Ah. What was I doing? I forgot. Oh, that's right. I think we want to put this difference check on here too. So this outer condition if we're above 70%, this lower condition if we're under 30%. He's a professional hatter. What is blood waffling about? Minori, when are you gonna start saying things that make sense? Wow, wow, wow. Minori, I was looking at I was looking at old clips, and I found our Valorant clips. Back it was our first or second time playing Valorant together. There's a clip where you cast an ult and you kill like 3 or 4 people, but I'm one of them. This guy from the start was always on team kill Anthony Moi. Okay, don't think that he was ever a teammate. Thank God, this guy's a professional hatter. Hate that guy, Anthony guy. What? That doesn't make any. He's so mean to me. I've never said anything mean to Minori ever. Don't look for evidence. Okay, so let's put this check here. If difference Hi, I'm new. Hi, I'm Are you I can't even say you're lying because you're not saying anything. You're just looking at me from a distance, or you're quite small. One of those. How do you guys interpret the E emote? Do you think it's smaller or do you think it's farther away? I think it's smaller because it's just like the letter. So if you get a seiso percent under 30, let's say the difference here can be 20. So let's say I get 25% seiso, 1% freak. Like, that's something special, right? They're feeling a little seiso. But say so nonetheless. Did I ever write down in my notes what I want? Or yeah. I think it's probably gonna be this one. They're just testing the waters. That's all we'll put for this. This being if you get a low amount, but they're close. They're just testing the waters. If God made everything, he made 6-7. Time to breach the gates? What does that mean? You're gonna storm heaven because you didn't like that God made the 6-7 joke? What a noble cause. I'll be a martyr. he was a brave Labubu. I feel like when it comes to video games, the concept of gods are like lowercase g, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's pretty often in games where you fight gods, so-called gods. They're not as all-powerful as the branding seems to imply. Though I feel like in stories that are like not interactive, there's like stories like books or literature and like movies. Like the concept of a god is more absolute on average, from what I can tell. I'm sure there's like plenty of like movies where they kill God still. 10-year-old me catching God in a free ball. Now I'm gonna name him Cheese. What? What are you talking about? Oh, and a friend ball. Wait, I misread that. Friend ball. What does friend ball do in Pokemon? Let me look that up. If that's one. Pokemon friend ball. Oh, it's so pretty. The friend ball is a Pokeball obtained from Kurt. This ball doesn't have an increased capture rate, but it sets the happiness of the Pokemon captured with it. Wait, incomplete message. What is it? Sets. It sets the happiness of the Pokemon captured to 200 automatically until Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon, or 150 beyond there. I don't really know what friendship value does in Pokemon, but that's gotta be awesome, right? Getting captured by a friend ball must feel good. are there drugs in Pokemon? That might be an equivalent. Makes them friendly, I think. It reminds me of Rayquaza. Why is that? Oh, the design? Yeah, I see it. The green with the red highlights. I see the vision. What does it feel like to get captured by a friend ball? If I recall correctly, if you have 170, you can get certain friendship evolutions. And... You can bullshit your way into going... Nah, I live. Oh, is that like a mechanic in Pokemon? If you like have a high friendship level, they like resist death? Or like fainting? Pikachu toughened it out so you wouldn't feel bad? Or is it specifically Pikachu? Last on 1 HP. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, okay. Most modern Pokemon games are like that. I see. Huh. That's just something you wouldn't know about as a non-Pokemon fan. I fight for my friends. Ooh. Me getting blasted by the light that burns the sky, but I have a high friendship value with my trainer, so I survive on 1 HP. You'll ever see that video? I'm gonna play it on stream because it's so funny to me. Let's pause the music. Here you go. It's one of my favorite videos. I know the exact clip. It's so funny. Rabambi!
Dragon Ball Z ass move he's about to use, bro. Light that burns the sky. Rabambi. Please survive, please.
Please survive this. I'm begging you.
What is going on right now?
This is Pokemon?
Rabambi!
They got this in Pokemon?
Please don't kill it, bro. Oh my god! Is that a spirit bomb?
Oh shit! No, I scrolled past it. Sorry.
Rabambi! Please don't kill it, bro. Oh my god! Is that a spirit bomb? It might be good though.
It might be good though. He's dead. He's dead. Is that a spirit bomb? No, the ads blocked you at this time. Is it ad time already? Oh, it is. I'm so sorry. It's okay. We know the context. We know what happened. I'll just give you a quick 07 and I'll move forward. For both for Rabambi and for help. And Labubu John. You didn't hear what I said. That movie is like it's like 8 years old. Wait, really? They just put shit in Pokemon games for fun? Have you guys ever seen what was it? Fucking like Final Fantasy 8 moves where like it's like a 3-minute cutscene and then it could miss. Ooh. I watched Sharp play FF8 a while back. I didn't to be honest, I did not understand the story, but it's got some nice character moments. My music, it's so quiet. Minori just went live. Oh my god, I gotta get first. Wah. Now! Gooey guy first. Alright, we're putting Minori on the second monitor. I can't believe he didn't tell me he went live. Oh. Actually, no, it's worse. It's not that he didn't tell me he's going live. He told me he's not going live. I love the song. In the new game, there's a move that's called Nihil Light. That's literally just a mega laser of death. They just be killing Pokemon. That's fucked up. Thank you for the lurkies, Labubu John. Thanks for dropping by. Hope whatever you got going on, it's going well. Left, right, left, right, left, right. I want to replay Chapter 4. Chapter 4 is actually so much fun in Deltarune. Like I think at the time of playing it, I was kind of like, what's the word? Not burned out, but it's like you can feel like it's coming to an end, and you're like, all right, let's just like finish this already. But like looking back, it's actually such a fun chapter. Climbing mechanic. I hope the future chapters have climbing too. Oh, it's over. Damn. Guys, I'm actually so distracted. I want to play games right now. I'm listening to Minori's stream. I think he just said he ate mold. Paradise, paradise. It is the paradise music. I think we're gonna reuse this testing the waters message for if the difference is small but also freaky. Maybe we'll make it a little bit different. Do we make this different? I don't know how we'd make it like meaningfully different. Just a bit say so. Just a bit say so. They're just testing the waters. I think that sounds right. I think we can copy this now. And the else statement, this is now the final condition of if your freak percent is larger than your seiso percent. Excuse me. I was fighting his way out. That's all the water I'm drinking. So if we are 69% freaky, here's what we got to keep in mind, right? Some of these cases are already covered in the previous conditions, so we don't have to do all of them. I guess. Do we say something? Did we say something about 69% freaky? Hey, welcome to stream, Andrew. Thanks for coming. Your horse of the day. It's Zane's horse. You stole it from him. How you doing, Andrew? I think my brain's melting. I can't lie. I can't focus with the funny music going on. But we're having a good time, anyways. I got so many Zane's horses. Is that real? We can fact check you. Do you believe in manifesting? Do you believe in fate? It could be fate. Oh, I missed Lubu John's lurkies. I think he put a lurkies. Sorry, I missed that. I'm so sorry. No, 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 no. So for 69% free, I feel like I should be able to think of something. I'll say like, yeah, that sounds about right. What's good, Andre the? How you doing? Welcome to stream, Andre. This is becoming your host of the day. We're doing some coding, not the most exciting, but it's okay. It's chill. Listen to nice music. And your test redeem, Andre. Today test does not do anything, so there's one channel point. Antho Mo. We're just abbreviating all we want, huh? I can't be bothered to type all these letters in your name. It's too complicated. Y'all, me and Andre, this is our newfound beef. Every week we gotta think of a new beef, and this time it's been every time I write his name, I just take away letters and words. Yeah, like what the fuck is a Rican? I think yesterday I was on the stream and I was like, hi the. I hope you're doing well, Andre. We are 3 hours into stream. God, my stream stamina has been going down over time. I can't focus anymore. We're gonna wrap this up and then we're gonna play some game. I'm alright. I just awoke a minute ago. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Get some breakfast, some eggs and bacon, eat a nice fruit, do some stretches, conquer an empire, kill a god, and then you're ready to start your day. I'm so glad that like, at least for this music, I don't like I don't remove it from the VOD, because then you guys would just hear me making random noises with no music if you look at the VOD. Breakfast was a hot pocket, and the god I slew was my eepiness. That was tough. Well, I'm proud of you, Andre. I know you had it in you. I could go for a hot pocket. I haven't had a hot pocket in a good minute. Damn, I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. I'm still streaming. Grr. It's no fair. No fair. All the people who that aren't streaming get to eat food. I wish I had the stamina and the consistency to stream every day. But alas. 3 days a week, that's already a lot for me. I think if I did stream every day, it'd be more manageable if I did it at the end of the day. Just because like it's already a lower energy type of part of the day and you're just chilling, right? But I like my morning streams. It's like the best time to be productive for me. Let's say all caps, freak. Wait, freak! Exclamation mark. If you are 100% freak on my stream, then They want to see the world burn. No, I don't like that. They're freaking all over the place. I don't stream work days, whether before or after. I see. I don't know, but some people do work and they still stream every day. Like, how the fuck? I'd be so tired. You know, like, each person's got their own system down. Me and my currently unemployed life gives me a lot of free time. But still, even if I even without having to go to work for the time being, I don't feel like I have enough energy to stream every day. I wish. But also at the same time, like, if I did have the energy, it's like, should I be streaming every day, right? Because then it's like, as fun as streaming is, I'm not getting other stuff done that I wouldn't do on stream, like YouTube stuff. I've been trying to look, secret. Shh. Don't wake up the YouTube fans, okay? I have been trying to make more videos, ever so slightly, okay. And if I was streaming every day, I probably wouldn't be making any progress. Listening, shh. It's tough, you know. Like I love making YouTube videos, and I haven't made like a real one in a long time. It feels it's difficult creating something that you're satisfied with, right? Like when you're live and you're streaming, it's like it's kind of a given that it's not gonna go super perfectly. You just gotta make the best of the moments. But like with the YouTube video, you really gotta like if you care about it being like a project that you're working on, it's hard to reach a level of satisfaction. And then like you spend so much time on it, it's like, well, I don't have much to show because I'm not happy with what I made. A balance is hard. It's true. It's very hard. That's why like it was so much easier being a YouTuber before I was a streamer because like first of all there's like less standards back then because I was just making whatever the fuck. But then it's like it's the only thing I'm working on, so I can just spend a day on it, not worry about it. Now it's like, okay, if I stream on this day and I don't stream the next day, it's like, do I spend the day not streaming, preparing for the next stream and catching up on the stuff I didn't finish from previous stream? Or it's like, do I spend this day working on stuff that's other than streaming stuff? I don't know. It's like, oh, so tricky. I'm back. Found a couple of good wood pieces to make a leg for a table. Let's fucking go, Kirby. You got table making skills? What kind of table you got? The thing is, like, such little context. I'm now imagining, like, did Kirby walk into the forest and just, like, gather some logs? Or did they go to Home Depot and gather some planks? Or did they, like, just find a cool stick on the side of the road? This is now the lake for my table. Who's to say, really? Is Spike Kirby actually a beaver? Did they go into the forest and gnaw down a tree and they carried it back home into their damn home? And I say damn with the 3-letter damn, not the 4-letter damn. Just a stick. It's a little twig. Wait, this is wrong. My neck, my ear itches. I source my materials from stuff people throw away. Wait, that's kind of banger. Recycling, I like it. Sometimes there's like weird messes, right? But that's part of the process. Restoration, right? That's not a skill set I have, but I love seeing those YouTube videos where people just like take stuff and make it look new again. Whether they like restore it to what it originally was, or they're just reusing it for something else. It's really cool. Wait, did I do this wrong? I did do this wrong. There you go. Percent seiso. Let's recap. Seiso. Oh, excuse me. Bye bye, Nux. Thanks for sticking around as long as you did. I hope you have a good rest of your day, whatever you're doing. Hope it goes good. What are you on about, Lier? That's not a number we're putting into the system. Unless you guys really want that. Is there a overwhelming demand for like the system to acknowledge you for getting 67%? I don't want there to be. Is this the last one? Else 69. Username is seiso percent and freak percent. They're not even hiding it. I don't know. You better start thinking then, Lear. Are you a thinker? I've seen it makes people react like I've seen what makes them react really bad when someone says 6-7. Well, it's not really that serious, right? People just are getting goofy. Maybe I should make it so only Minori gets rewarded. If Minori pulls a 6-7, then he gets to pop off about it. But everyone else, you get shot. You laugh about 6-7, we shoot you. Alright, no mercy chat here. Okay, my brain really is melting. It's hard to focus. Okay, down to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 more things to write. We can do this, guys. We can do this. I can do this. Oh, my brain. We just need to think about what should it say? If the difference is big and you're a big freak. They're so freaky today. That's an easy one. Now I'm running for a loop that is consuming my PC. We're running a for loop, sorry. Everything is slow. You like looping through 10 million records or something? What do you got? Oh god. Anthony watched him in slow motion. Stutter. Okay. If you are above 70% freaky, but the difference is pretty small, we can say something like, they're a freak, but maybe the seiso can shine through. Kind of a long message. I hope it's not like too big in chat. That's why we test these things, right? Oh, there's a typo here. Good thing we caught that. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Everyone get down. Incoming. Wait. It's not safe here. Oh my god. Sneezes all over chat. Oh, you guys are so green now. Just a little freaky. But freaky nonetheless. Just a smidge of freak. Is that how you spell smidge? I think that's right. What was the else here again? This is on this condition. If... So this is like a middle number and freak is here. Wait. Oh, so there's two more things we have to add then. So if you get a value between 31 and 68, I guess we do need a condition here. So there's like 4 more things to write. We're almost there. We can just keep it simple. So it's like something like rather mild today. Rather mild and modest numbers. So if you are, let's say 50% seiso, they're in a mildly seiso mood. Hello, Gino. Welcome to the stream. You're 75% seiso, 72% freak. You are seiso today, but don't let that freaky value hide. I see it's rising up just behind the seiso value. Hope you're doing well, Gino. We are currently making the seiso command a bit more fun today. We're gonna say some funny things if you get funny numbers, and then we're almost done with that actually. We've been doing that for a few hours. This is not 3 hours of work, but we've been live for 3 hours. You came back. You didn't die. Let's go, Lier. Oh, my brain's kind of melting because I've been working on this for too long. It's not even complicated. It's just I got ADHD. The freak will come out eventually. Oh, he's a knower. He understands. For evil. Let's say if you are roughly 50% seiso, but your freak value is pretty close. Let's say a bit of seiso today too. Oh wait, a bit of seiso today, but a bit of freak too. And then for the opposite version, we'll just reverse the order. Mildly freaky mood. Bit of a freak today. Bit of seiso too, okay. Okay, so now if I save this... Oh, what am I looking at? There we go. Alright, I got homework then. After stream, and tomorrow, I'm probably gonna spend some time figuring out how to make the persistent values. I'll probably just make a JSON file, keep it simple for now, but eventually we're gonna migrate that to actually be on a database, just so it's like integrated with everything. If I run this, alright, everyone calm down. It's gonna spam chat for a little bit, but it'll be fine. Seiso. Right, let me turn off the mix it up version so we can have this be cleaner. Nobody panic. Okay, we're just temporarily turning off the seiso command. Wait, there's the wrong view. Saddest music. It is kind of sad, yeah. Depending on your perspective. Even Undertale fans, you know, I love Undertale so much. Oh, typo. We're missing the percent on the number. Alright, let's fix that. Oh. I love that game. Hell yeah. I've been watching more and more people play Undertale. It's such a special thing to watch people play for the first time. All these are missing the percent on the seiso. Still need to play Deltarune? Get on that, Juno! I love Deltarune so much. A lot of the music we're listening to today... sorry, let me say it slower. A lot of the music we're listening to today is from Deltarune. So I apologize if you care about music spoilers. But yeah, it's a really special thing. You gotta check it out sometime. I'm not gonna spoil you at all, of course. But it does a really good job of being like Toby Fox's next game. That's like the simple way to put it. That doesn't tell you anything. Okay, let's save that. If anything, I'll be like, I heard that song from Anthony, so true. An Anthony Moore classic song brought to you outsourced from Anthony to Toby Fox. I'm glad I can help you, Big T, you know. It'd be a crazy accomplishment if somehow Toby Fox became a fan of my stream. Probably not in any world that's happening, but that'd be really funny. We can come back to this joke. 8% seiso, 60% freak. Mildly freaky mood. Is that right? I think that is right. Yeah. Try it again. No, not the 67. Mildly seiso mood. Okay. You gotta believe for things to happen. You're so right. I love your attitude, Gino. Someday. We'll make something truly special that he'll have to appreciate. But, I know it's like funny to joke about, but it is something that I would love to do with my stream, is to make a truly unique viewing experience that only I can provide. That's why we build all these systems in Unity, so eventually we'll have something that is like never before seen. Do we want a special message for 0%? Like in our notes, we didn't write anything down yet, right? We just wrote something for 0. We'll have to add that eventually. They're so freaky today. A bit seiso, but a bit freaky too. Okay, I think it's working well so far. Obviously, we have to do a lot of tests, but I think the context-based seiso message is really fun. I think I want to change the freaky message though. Instead of they're so freaky, say they're such a freak today. They're such a freak today. Oh, the music's so good. Oh my god, Gino emotes. I love him so much, Gino. It's so cute. Hell yeah, first emote. That's so awesome. He's pogging. He's. I really like the angry one. He's like so squished and zoomed in. I'm so happy for you, Gino. I remember getting my first emotes. I didn't make them myself. I commissioned them, but it was such a happy day to finally have channel emotes that represent, you know, the identity of the stream. You know, you're so proud of them. Hell yeah, hell yeah. And here's to many more. You know. Let's see. I'm gonna do a few more rolls. I don't think there's any bugs so far. Sorry to scroll your messages away, Gino, but I know you're there. Oh. Mildly freaky. That feels right. No worries. Oh, the flood is here. Oh. Just testing the waters. Okay, I think these message lengths, it's not too long. I think it's fine. It's kind of big, like on the chat behind my head. Like it's a little bit big. It takes up what, 4 lines, but that's probably fine. I think I'm gonna go later though, and in what's it called? In Stream Elements, I'm gonna filter out commands in the chat now, so now it won't show up on the stream. They'll just happen sometimes. Actually, do I want to do that? No, I kind of like the commands in chat though, cause like it shows new viewers like, hey, this is what we did to do this thing, right? I don't know. We'll leave it for now. It's probably fine. Testing the waters. They're so seiso. The seiso, but a bit freaky too. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. %. Okay, I think this is working as intended. We might need a lot more trials to know if it breaks, I guess, or if it's doing something wrong. But we'll be able to fix that pretty easily if it does happen. Especially like the 69 numbers, like I assume that works. It's just a simple check. Whatever. But yeah, to get 69, 69, that's like what? Is that 1 in 100? No, that's that's 1 in. I can't do math. Is that 1 in 10,000? To get 69, 69, I think it's a 1 in 10,000 chance, yeah. Ooh. I know I said I kind of wanted to play a game today, but I think my brain is too tired now. I'm probably gonna get lunch and take a nap. Like, I'd love to play some Peak or some other indie game, but I don't want to delay getting lunch any longer. It's almost 2 o'clock, so I think we're gonna end here. We're gonna raid out to somebody, and you know, I could be really silly and raid it to Minori. I think I do want to raid it to Minori because he's doing a short stream right now. But he's a very fun person. He's very entertaining. I think he's really funny. He's one of my favorite streaming friends. If he's listening right now, don't listen to me because it's supposed to be a surprise as a rating. I don't actually know what he's doing today because the notification said guitar practice. But let's see. The title's just I ate mold today, so we'll have to see. So thank y'all for watching. If you want some free channel points, participate in the raid. If not, I'll see you guys another time. Let's go ahead. Oh, raid message. That's right. I gotta make a raid message. You guys know the context, as I told you. We're gonna say mold raid. So, if you want to be part of the raid, there's your raid message. You're gonna raid to Minori. Send him some love. Be nice to him. Be mean to him. Do both. That's what I do. Alright. Minori. Nyabe. Alright, we're going in. I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Thank you so much for chilling with me. It's been a very fun stream. Mold raid. Bye. Have a good lunch. Thank you so much, Gino. Thanks for the stream. Of course, Wacky. Anytime. I hope it was a good vibe. I really want to try to make sure my brain doesn't deteriorate as much while I'm streaming. So I'll see if I can improve my focus and whatnot.